Yeah, man, this is the veteran BURRO BANTON for years, who cry without tears. And tell them, BURRO say, them are no problem, none of them no problem. Them are no problem, them teach them, I go teach them. Them are no problem, none of them no problem. Them are no problem, them teach them, I go beat them. Say them like the world and them teach them come again. Straight through the gate, non-stop, my gone again. So man, I wear tight pants. But one of them a me illusion get the best of them. So if you pick me up, you lick me down, my bunks right back. Should I know them, teach them is a hard nut to crack. I'm the old veteran, me still a launch the attack. I'm the cream of the crop and I am lyrically strapped. From a Kangal hat to me diamond sack. From the chain round my neck to my Rolex watch. When we touch pan the block, them say me have the city lock. With the musical keys like Sugar Mine hat. So hey, them are no problem, none of them no problem. Them are no problem, them teach them, I go teach them. Them are no problem, none of them no problem. Them are no problem, them teach them, I go beat them. Say them like the world and them teach them straight across the board.
I am here vibing with one of the foundation members, one of the pioneers of the Jamaica entertainment industry. His parents named him Donovan Spalding, but we know him as
BURRO BANTON, the Governor General, for years who cry without tears, man. Straight across the board.
Father Banton. All is well, sir?
Bless up, yeah, man.
It's an honor, brother.
Peace,
Joy.
yeah.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Big boss. Say all is well.
Big up.
It's an honor.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Talk to us though, early life, place of birth.
Well, really, enough people don't even know this. I born on the Tyler Street in Jamaica. Down at Kingston. It named North Street.
North Street.
Over Jubilee.
Yeah.
See me? Yeah, man. BURRO is a Kingstonian, but I grow all about. Because I remember say, my mother and my father are poor, so them never have them own house. So one time we do not over people yard, and them give it the notice, them have to find the next place. So sometimes we live Barbican, Branspen, Waterhouse, Cassava Piece. You know, in the carpet area where you think. Because I end up living at Portmore from 1980.
Yeah?
Yeah, I live in Meadowvale for a while, good while. And most of my career, I really over Meadowvale. Enough people don't even know BURRO is at Portmore.
Yeah?
Yeah, but I'm at Portmore. I'm still end up at Portmore because right now I still reside at Elsha.
Yes.
In a
Matty.
Seaton. So it's a Portmore thing.
Yes. Talk to me though. Brothers and sisters, how many you had? You have?
Well, you know, so if you do that now, I have to go up on my fingers and count, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's about 13 away.
13 are you?
13, yeah.
Yeah, and all 13 are from mommy and daddy or somewhere outside?
No, 11 is from, you know, me don't right. More out there, you know. For Papa, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I know, say, I have an outside sister, Yvonne.
Yeah.
I have an outside brother named Delroy, which is a soldier,
Yes.
you know. And
So-
I have an outside sister by my mother named Carrie.
Carry.
But the rest of them are just
Yeah.
one mother, one father.
Okay. All siblings are still alive?
No, I think maybe you wouldn't know still, but one of my brother just dropped out the other day.
My condolences.
And the whole Jamaica is supposed to know him, because he was one of the most, I mean, the news thing. And I see it name Gary Spalding.
Gary Spalding.
Yeah, Gary Spalding and my
I
brother.
never know Gary Spalding was your brother.
Yeah, man. But if you look at me good, you can see because me enemy do really even favor more than the rest.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did more coming like
But you
that.
live and learn though.
Yeah,
My
man.
condolences,
Yeah, man.
brother.
Yeah, man, my brother.
Yes. Mommy and daddy still around?
No, mama
Mama Tradan.
Yeah, and Papa
And the old man
gone.
Tradan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where did you attend school though?
Only one school me really going as a big school and that just be like New Day school.
New Day.
Yeah, New Day all age.
New Day all age.
Yeah, that's why we don't know for years in Grand Spain.
Oh, so you completed schooling there, as in you finished school at New Day, or you go and you stop?
No, I stopped because I was a little road boy.
I was a little road boy.
Yeah, because that's why that's how we end up in the music.
Yeah.
Yeah, because enough time, even when my mother say, don't go around and dance there. Don't go around there, so. There's a man now with a thief out all the clothes, because Because we'd have to carry water and live at 5 Grand Spin Avenue. So, these are man now, we'd have to just thief out all the clothes, throw it through the back window. Because you know where I'm going away, you know.
Yes.
So I'm go around now with the pan to carry the water and drop the clothes them in the night and say, yeah, I go full the drum of water, you know. But I run, I go run way. That chef come out the pipe side back now for the pan.
Yes.
Yeah, because right now, so I address
They
everything.
just left the pan and gone.
I'm gone, yeah, because I forgot to dance.
Yeah.
See,
You mentioned that you grew up poor. Explain to me a little bit more though. What was poor life for you back then?
no, you see, well, really, my father and my mother never really that poor.
Okay.
But through me was a little bad boy.
Yes.
Yeah, because I run enough time, you know. Yeah, so I end up poor up on the street.
Oh.
But, yeah. No caring and no protection. All of that, I have to do that from like about 7 years old. Most of it I do for myself.
So you run away
Yeah,
from you at 7?
Yeah, from a little boy. My first time running, I 7 years old. That time I live at water.
So you run go world?
I just all about. I dey everywhere, because I know everywhere in a Kingston.
In a Kingston.
And St. Andrew. Yeah, I know everywhere. I
So-
never really come to this side like over St. Catherine. We always keep the thing more in a St. Andrew.
Yes. So struggling wasn't so much because of mommy and daddy. It was because
Myself.
Burro's
yeah.
a local youth that get trouble
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah.
all over the place.
I never really be a troublemaker still.
Yes.
But I always because that's why them say, I end up going so much place, then I say from I start walk up and down till it reach you. Because the first time even me end up in a foreign country, my mother and my father never know. So, I'm going to Canada.
Yeah?
Yeah, so when I come back now, I have so much things now. So I have to go home back here now, because when I carry back here now, I don't know where to put them. So I have to go back when I'm on my yard and papa. So when I go through the gate, when I reach the gate first, I see my mother start cry. And she said, Pa, where you come from now? And I said, foreign, mama. She said, which foreign? I said, over Toronto. She said, where Toronto then? I said, in Canada. And my father just stand up and I look for me. Straight, because in them time there, me want to be a DJ, but he want me to turn a mechanic.
Okay.
So he said to me, say, where you going to be in your life when you grow up? Because he not see me I do nothing. I not set myself because I not go to school.
Yes.
Like that.
But how old were you at the time now?
That time I reached like about 15, 16.
Okay.
And I reach up in an age. And them say, well, you have to do something in your life, you know, to come out to something. So I said, I'm going to be a DJ, you know. He said, DJ? Yeah, well, my good thing, you know. But if you're going to stay in my house, you have to go to Stanley Motor. From Monday morning I come.
That mechanic place.
Yeah, that I forgot the mechanic place. And I say, Papa, I really want to be a DJ, you know. And them say, yeah, you can be a DJ, but yeah, what you have to go do? Until you find a shot DJ school there. Just tell me, I mean, send you go there. Say, for right now,
Stanley
Motor the thing. And I said, no, Papa, I don't want a Stanley Motor, you know, runway cars, you know.
Runway again.
Yeah, I'm going to leave here, you know. So till it's like, I start DJ, but that type of DJ, you know, I never reach sound yet. I'm more be a road beat DJ. Clap on and road beat. You know?
Okay.
So that's why more time my lyrics them so long. So I love do it in the gully.
Yeah.
I know every start in every gully.
Yeah.
Yeah, especially in a St. Andrew.
Yes.
So when I walk out in the gully, I one lyrics my build. I'll from the start of the gully to which part me will come out of the gully. One lyrics. They just try for me. Me are one of the first DJ where ever come DJ on the sound, and when the rhythm, the whole record done.
You're still a
the
DJ.
Rhythm done. Them my DJ see me still them put on back the rhythm and you don't know.
Yeah.
And gone again. Yeah, me are the first DJ who do them thing.
Hold on for the DJ thing though. Toronto, Canada, age 15, 16. Yeah. How you end up over that part there?
Boy, me there. I start going good in a DJ world. Because I end up on...
Oh, so you're a DJ before you go to Canada?
Yeah,
okay.
I got Gemini sound.
You started out at Gemini you start with?
No, I don't start at Gemini, but that's how...
And they said at the time?
Yeah, when we reached Canada. You see? So, in that time now, I my name start call out a road now. Name start call. Like today the youth them that say your boss. Them that say my boss them time.
Yes.
So one day I go around and my father, when I go there for a while, I go there. I and him sit down and talk on the veranda and him said to me, say, you can't come up on my workplace, come check me. I said, why my father want me to come on my workplace, come check him? Because I never liked that something there. So I let us till, I think it was a Thursday morning. I jump up and say, all right, you know what? Because my father was a security guard. He was one of the men who wear the white shirt and teach the man them security.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, protection and security he used to work for Ealing Road. So I go there, go check him, and when we reach the gate, I notice one of the guards say, Burro, how are you there? I work here, come look. And then I run a joke with me. And I said to him, say, no man, Mr. Spalding, I'm my father, you know. And he said, Mr. Spalding, are your father? So I never hear Mr. Spalding talk nothing about it yet. So I write this, so I pick up why my father want me to come check him. I'm workplace. So when I go in there, so now me and him start, and him say all of the guys them know we go party, I like out a Gemini club and them place.
Them know you.
Yeah, them know me. Him come on and him say, I never want to tell him, say, I'm my son, but every day I hear him sit down and talk about him. That's why I make him come check me. For sure, I say, I'm a real picking of this. I'm a first son with my wife.
Yes.
You know? So
Gemini took you to Canada?
No. But I DJ on Gemini the night. And I say a man come check me. And my ears a man tell me, say a man come for carry a foreign in a borough. But I think
a joke thing.
Yeah, you know, I not really take him serious. I'm a DJ for the whole night. And the man still stand up out there. And the man come back again and say, bro, the man a gone in there and wait for you, you know. And I say, I see you or something. So I go around and now the man say to me, say, bro, you know, I don't like how you got to New York. I have to look on the man and say, so you want to go to New York and I don't even have passport. I mean, I think say what me I do. Can carry me go foreign.
Yes.
So before him leave, him give me a money and say, go take out your passport because I come back for you in 6 weeks for carry you go. And New York. So by the time I get the passport in my hand, George Pam from over Arnett Garden said to me, say, Burro, you know me I keep a dance in Canada. I want you. I said, oh, you go to Canada? And him tell me the procedure. And I think in them time they have forget. And then the visa now run. So I just go talk to the man when I reach Canada. I talk to the man who come interview me first. And then anything when me say, and the man will come for pick me up. The two arguments them have to almost correspond. So I saw now me reach Canada.
Oh.
I'm there in Canada for 3 weeks.
So George Pang responsible for that.
George Pang first ever carry me go.
So all the New York thing go, you never promise the man say you're going to New York, bro?
So when I come back now, I saw now I reach with me and my father.
Okay.
So when I reach, I come out for the plane now, I'm here now, my mother start crying. I watch my father come, my father and say nothing, you know. When I go in and cool down, he said to me, say, so when you go back?
Yeah?
So we say, Papa, you know, so I don't think I go back there, sir. A man supposed to come from New York by now on Monday for carry me go get an American visa for me go New York. So him just say, I wish you luck, you know, and everything. Well, I never really, when I go, I never really come back and tell them. So I go there and get the visa, but I don't know if I get it.
Yeah.
I know I get a piece of a paper mark, US Embassy, and it like a ticket.
Yes.
So when him asked, him called me now back in the weekend, like about the Thursday, and him said to me, say, so what about the New York thing? I said, I don't know, you know, but them give me that piece of paper here to come back for the book tomorrow.
Yeah.
And I said, do you get it, you know? I go, you know. My son, hold up your chin. Please, may I ask you, hold up your chin. Yeah. don't drop Spalding name nowhere for me out the road. And I say, Papa, look how long me I walk up and down out the road. And you never hear a police come knock your gate yet. So you're supposed to know, all when me out the road, I still out the road for your teaching.
Yes.
You know, so I'm still honor that. Anywhere I go, I still honor my mother and my father. I never go around that. That table teaching that when I get, I might never get the whole of it, but up to now, is that I live off of.
Yeah, so Daddy Spalding never put Stanley Motors no more.
No, him get to find out, say, is this moment,
Yes.
and really see it coming.
And him willing to support
Yeah,
you now.
him support me.
So tell me now, boy, you're up on the street, you're up and down, up and down. When you realize, though, say you have a little music in you.
Well, I'll tell you then. The first time I can remember about being a DJ, it's like you have a lane up off Barbican Road named Andrew Spen Lane. Mm-hmm. In the lane, I'm a DJ, but them time, you know, you have a rhythm just come out named Death in the Arena.
Death in the Arena.
I'm a DJ something pan Death in the Arena over a little sound. Over, them call it Okra.
Okra sound.
Yeah, over Okra. I'm a DJ over Okra sound. And when I done, him said to me, bro, where you get them lyrics there? I'm saying, me, where I get my lyrics? No, man, I just that come up, because the rhythm name Death in the Arena, so I'm a DJ for that.
Yes.
So I say, why you ask me? I'm saying, no, so I'm go out a socialist roots and I'm a ranking Trevor, a DJ, but something like that, him a DJ. Man, the rhythm. So, you know, from this, you know, I start more, take it serious. Because I'm a man now where him have another brother named Keith. So when I go in we go, them, it's like, him have about 11 brother, and everybody ride bike.
Yeah.
All of them is a bike rider. So I say, when me in the yard now, Keith to them start mount me and said to me, say, like, them I say, you can DJ, but you're a road beat, man. You can't DJ by sound. And all of them things, you know, I kind of want to impress that brother, you know.
Yes.
For sure, him say.
You can do his
Yeah,
own
you can
thing.
do it. So you have a little sound now in the area come up. Well, named Black Over.
Black Over.
Yeah, this is my first song I ever DJ.
At top of Barbican.
Yeah, for Grand Spen Avenue.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Black Over. I'm start DJ for Over now. But when we just start, one and two people start come.
Yes.
And I never really get no big way yet. So till I remember the first crowd when I get now. I never have no shoes for a while. I'm a man when I grew up. Ask any man in my area. If I have one shoes, my Clarks are the baddest in Jamaica.
Yeah?
Yeah, I always have the baddest shoes, but you can't stay long because I don't live nowhere. I do it everywhere. I go at the same thing. If you walk in a Joe, water, anything, so my Clarks, them never really stay long.
Yes.
You know? So it's like, Fago I come from foreign. I'm a begging, bring a Clarks to me. You want to see, when them come, the next man take out the shoes from Fago and say, them shoes are for bad man, you know.
Yeah.
Burrano no bad man. Whoever do that is, the man take out my shoes. And the man then build back. Him feel that way, the brother will beg carry the shoes.
Yes.
Because him carry a pants length for me. Him carry a knits Ganzi and the Clarks. So it's like, I have on my shoes now and it's like, I don't live nowhere. So I DJ in the lane, I want to sleep. So you have a place now which part, them sell Calalo and them things now out of East Kings House Road. Right shot them have the football field.
Yes.
Right there. So we first start sell Calalo this.
Yeah, you used to sell Calalo.
Yeah, you know, all away. Another time, you know, a brother named Nami Dread run over there. So we don't go over there, so we sleep over there. Help plug the place and get me.
Okay.
So I get my clothes now and it's like, I have a little bit, a shed, or the iron them come down to build the shed. Left a space. So I lie down on the place now and drop asleep with my clothes on me. on my head. And when I wake up, my shoes gone, you know.
God.
I'm on thief, my shoes on me, you know. And the brother, the first man me say, his name Charlie Black. And I said, Charlie Black, you say, I won't take up my shoes. And he said, no. I said, nobody come boy, I borrow. And I said, boy, what your man wicked, man? How long we walk barefoot? And the first time I get our shoes now, I'm on thief it. So I did this, so now I start. I've got DJ and a female the night. Okra sound. When them thief my shoes on me, I say, you know, say, like enough man I say, them wouldn't go. I'm say, watch me, I got it tonight. Since them now I'm shine my clocks, I'll get some coconut tile and shine my foot there. I roll up the pants foot, so every through the aisle up on your foot, everywhere I walk is a cake of dirt leave. And when I'm going at the dance, I hold the mic and say, he or she or who it may be, someone steal Papa Burro Wallaby. And if a Charlie Black, me I beg him bring it back. And I'm the first man
Pam.
And the place kick now.
Yeah.
The whole place, all police come and say that I can't keep again. Too much nice. And I just know, I start finding say, crowd start follow me. Everywhere I go now, I'll barefoot. You get me? I start. DJ now, I said, what that thing you look like now? Everybody I talk about now. In my area, I go up on the top part of Barbican now, because I come from down at the bottom part, which is Grand Spen, and then you have the top part now, the Fort Penn Lane, and them place there. See? So I'm going to go over Fort Penn Lane, go DJ for a little sound named Black Heat. But through me down the shoes now, I have to walk in the gully and come way around. For come now walk on the road, come up barefoot. I'm going to go over Black Heat and I tear down the place again over there. So I see it go on and go on. The time my mother now move out from Grand Spen because they kind of get bad.
Wow.
Yeah. And she end up down a wild time. I will live a wild time on Campbell's Boulevard for a while. You want to see now, I go check my mother upon and I come back. I told the man from a little sound. I string it up and I say, DJ. And I say, I don't say them know say me a DJ now. I never know say so far the thing reach.
Yeah.
And I say, you can't come give it two lyrics for my sound. But through my mother live down there, I don't know the area.
Yeah.
I can't even show off for nobody and go on like you're bigger, you know.
Yeah, because you just go in that place.
Yeah, I just school and wait for the man them. And DJ upon the sound. When I take a start now, it was Josie Whale. And that Josie Whale starting back start. All right, that's now me and Josie Whale start hook up. And we
Which sound was it?
Roots Unlimited.
Roots Unlimited.
Yeah, this come from down at 13 Cartoon Avenue on Walton Park Road.
Sorry.
So me and Josie Whale start. Yes or no, and that means now me have two songs.
Yes.
Me have Black Hoover, Uptown, and Downtown. I have Roots Unlimited.
Roots Unlimited.
You know, see it. So,
Anyway, they think of on.
yeah, it go on good now, because I'm Uptown and I'm Downtown.
Yes.
On it, you know. So, all right, so now, it starts spread. People start know me as a DJ. But my bossing time now, what really go on now, the Black Hoover, them a keep a dance, which is for the man who own the sound dance. And them go for Ringo. Johnny
Ringo.
Yeah, a DJ upon Gemini. And him come in at the lane and him show him a big DJ. Them now want to go for the mic. Side of him. Try to get the crowd on the dance and everything. But that time, me never even know so the people them rate me.
Yeah.
And say, yeah, I borrow with DJ, you know. Till after a while on the dance, I just start hear the people them start ball. Him now, the brother did him DJ on a rhythm when him M16. The rhythm it name. The original name for the rhythm it name Scandal.
Scandal.
Yeah, but Badman get name M16.
M16.
Everybody a DJ. Emma this a M16.
Yeah.
I say, eh. So, but through my friend them know say, me no DJ M16. Me have some different something I put on it. Them start ball me down and beat on the fence and say, Burro time, call Burro and give him the mic.
Yes.
And when I go up there, I do a song name. Badness Take Over.
Yeah. You remember that song?
Yeah, I remember summer.
In peace right now.
Because this a badness take over. Take over the whole of Jamaica. You nowadays, them not afraid of police nor soldier. All them want is a pocket full of copper and tell them brethren them can't cross the border. Boom, a badness take over. So make me tell them this a badness take over. Because the youth them have today, them have a new kind of ways. The way how them bad, them chuck them hot pan them ears. But true to the vibes and things get dread. Them start fire copper and stop fire lead. Because them the shot they only make you lie down in a bed. So when me was a youth, you know, me play a marble. I know that I'm a man, me say me give girl trouble. The mango me eat, that a number 11. And the gun, them a fire lick your earth up to heaven. You know that the gun are the AK-47. And you know, right, that's how me things start. Yeah, I want to tell you now, to hear who have the #1 song them time there. eek-a.
eek-a.
How do them, how do them. How do them, I want to tell you now too. That night, you know, I saw me get on my first girl in the DJ world.
Yeah?
Because yeah, come me in the land and see one of my virgin name, so I just come tell me, say, Burro, one brown in the gate want you, know. And I say, Brown, I don't know a brown girl. Me a DJ same way. That the next one come to me, when he Charlie Bubbles and say, I should have me she come to. Instead of do a serious something. So I let go the mic and go at the gate and I look. Me and her talk already. But I never believe, because I never invite her at the dance.
Yeah.
I look Marcy at the gate and I carry her at the dance now. I go back now, them start play. What do them? And rain come down. So it kind of mash up the dance. Me sit down on the record box. She sit down side of me. When I look, my next girl come sit down side of she. And it start bring one Ellen at the dance over me.
Yeah?
Yeah, because them start cuss that brown girl and say, oh, hey girl, yeah, come and go on like Ray and all kind of thing. I don't know when Burry have one pants and you know when Burry walk barefoot boy and yeah. I say, watch this now, man. That even the girl will come now and I quarrel them. I say, Peaches, a long time about there, you know. I know no, never want me, you know. I know, watch, one girl want me now.
Everybody want you.
Yeah. So, I get my eye off for that.
Yeah.
And yeah, it come now, so even my friend them now start. None of the man them want to look at her. Yeah, so I go DJ.
The man said that dead, Burro.
Yeah, man. No, I tell you, Papa. Believe it. Because I
Believe it, man.
I wouldn't look at her.
Yeah.
If I see her go to the road, I wouldn't call to her.
Yeah.
Because when I feel it was me.
Yes.
You understand me? So, the next night after that, now you want to see the same look sound named Black Over a play. We call up, that's Up the Gully. For Grand Spend Gully.
Yeah.
And a man named Ducky Yard. I'm in there now, I'm a DJ and show out the middle of the dance and I go on away. And when I'm a virgin named Dirty Foot must beg her a dance. I must see her assistant on her. Because I'm not out, you know, them time they sound the amps put in our room. Because I want the amps wet up. If rain fall and them things. So, you know, when we're out there, I say, she come in. I said, Burro, put on the mic there and come dance with me, you know. Because them boy are going like me. I say, no man, everybody know I'm a girl, say you're not supposed to. So come up like bring. Man, them start show off. See? So I just walk on and just say, come Marcia, we are go down the gully. Man, them start, you know, Burro live nowhere and all kind of thing. And she said to me, say, all right, here what? You know, say, you know, the sound I play out there, so tomorrow night, I will not go there, so. We are going to walk past there, Gemini, we are going. I don't walk past and I tell a man, say, the truth, we feel that way, because my sound is.
Your sound.
Yeah, but the vibes, through that girl, I know her vibes come and reach me. And I'm a boss vibes, so I don't even know. So I go over there at Gemini. When we take a stack, from the sound over, some little girl used to fight for that sound. They find themselves at Gemini too, you know. And almost trouble again down at Gemini, you know. You get me? I come now, them I keep, I just know everything I got done around that little sound there. It's like, them I keep them for them owner dance, the sound owner.
With a black over.
Yeah, I say to them, say, you know, say, more them time the camouflage, DJ wear camouflage, every DJ, Lone Ranger, all of the man them have a camouflage suit. When I go there, go peep on them. And I said to him, say, sir, do you know some want a camouflage suit and want a Clarks? I'm still gonna watch the whole thing. And when the man they buy a beer, you know, me that tell a lie. The man they buy the whole schoolroom a beer again. And dog give the money. And when they buy the beer, everything.
No money.
Food, everything, but me not get the money.
Yeah.
And the girl, Marcia, she buy me a Clarks.
Ah.
Yeah, since them never don't buy it, them time the Clarks was like for $140. Yeah, she buy me a Padmore Clarks. And say, hey, no, I go back on that side, they should left me. Some kind of that for I do what she say, but she push me in the right direction to a bigger sound.
Bus breeze a blow, you don't know.
She carry me go a Gemini
Yes.
and a big sound. Then I go a Gemini. But then I start itch on Gemini, but I not really be the DJ yet.
So who were the big DJs at the time of Gemini?
Ringo and Welton.
Ringo and Welton, Irie.
Yeah. Till them time the Sky Juice, we select now,
Yep.
he was a dancer.
Yes.
Yeah, and Sky Juice, when Sky Juice see me coming at the line, when him start going, where? Keep over the mic, keep over the mic. Because one of the man that do it, at the throat.
But El push it in.
Yeah, the man push me up there first.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
I'm gonna get the mic. I'm gonna go on. But still, all of that time now, my mind still never been a Gemini.
They're still there on a
my,
black over.
My mind there black over. Because I
that's your star.
and I'm a yardis. Well, I not go back.
Where you not go back? You not go back at Gemini?
I not go back at Gemini.
Yeah?
Yeah, I end up back. Because me and the girl are vexed. Because I'm going back a over. A over me love.
There's an art there.
Yeah, and it's like, you want to see. But then you know, and it's like, George Pang, I'm there at jail, and I'm come out, so I'm keep.
Our next event.
Yeah, I'm keep film event now. And the time I don't know him yet. So I'm going to know him now.
Yes.
But what is our next sound now? Well, me and him go school, the whole of us go school, but it's not like that sound there. Really, it start me.
Yes.
You get me? But the whole of it go to the same school, New Day School. So
New
some
Day.
know them out there. So them drive come check me and say, boy, Burro, we are playing down a jungle, you know. With film sound, kind of really have one of the best sound in Jamaica them time there. But them man, they different. If him not like him, not play for you.
Yes.
Not like a sound we play every week. You get the name At Sizzler.
At Sizzler.
Yeah. So we're going to play down at Jonestown for Pang. And we go there. And like the people might say, boy, where that man come from? With that sound there, because them never hear that sound there yet. Them never even know my name. I saw them call me first. See the man I come there. You know what I say? Why? Them through that now, that crowd there, from this now, was really Gemini crowd.
Okay.
So I saw now them get to know me. So when we go back at Gemini
Them
now,
see you before, so they know you.
you know, well, we got the same sound over a dancer keep a place named Riverboat Club round for go Laverne's Tavern.
Put a sentence there.
Yeah. And a Gemini I play. But it's like when we reach the dance now, a Squidly. Ringo went and come here. A Squidly. A DJ pan Gemini. I say, when they're there, I watch Squidly. But I say Squidly is not a man who have 50 lyrics. I mean, kind of know some of him something them.
Yes.
Him no one DJ them, they will call the dancer.
Dancer Rabbit.
Yeah. So I go up and say to him, say, yo, man, I beg you to talk after that song there, you know. You see him want to give me, but him never have the authority to give me like that. So I'm asked, Archie, which is the selector, and a man named Sassafras there.
Sassafras.
Yeah. Not the DJ.
Oh, not the DJ,
No.
okay.
That man, yeah, he used to have like a place where print posters and them.
Oh,
thing.
okay, okay.
But he would have be like the second boss on Gemini. So, I swear a man they go so. I'm going to get the mic. I'm from, I never even know, so now, all of them places through a grand spend. I spread for true. I never know, so my name out there so much. And the first time I hold the mic, I get a forward in there. But I even start trembling.
Yeah?
Yeah, because I never look for this. I'm have to start DJ now, so till when Ringo and Welton I come, them don't know me neither.
Yes.
As DJ like that. So them come and get them mic. They never really want to give me it back. And the crowd start going and wait, you know. Give back word of mic. But anyway, me feel good to where me reach.
Can I get you forward there, man?
I'm a nice, so. But luckily now for me, you know, the next night after that was a Friday night, the Saturday night, Gemini play. A Barbican Square.
Your place that.
Yeah, and the DJ them go up on Gemini, so know me now.
Yeah, because them see it the night before.
So when we go now, them say, you know, nobody not gonna stop the boy from DJ, but that's all that tonight. Because the whole grand space, everybody.
Your place, man.
Them surround the little board where the Amsterdam.
Yeah.
And start beat the place. Give Burro the mic. I get it, man. I'm not gonna say I'm really better than Wingo or Welton area.
Yes.
The truth, but at my place. So it looks so. You get me?
That is fear though.
Yeah, the truth.
Yes.
Because the amount of forward me I get, I don't feel like if it was a different place.
You didn't get there.
So.
Yes.
But at my place, if I say Skeff, my friend them beat down the fence.
Yeah.
So it make it look like they're the baddest DJ. You know, see, remember Louis Lepke even get vexed and say, oh, what am I going to look uptown boy, you're God? And I say, all right. Because Gemini know is a sound we play, a Gemini club, every Sunday
Every
night.
Sunday.
Yeah, free. So, I go down there the night, I'm going to go for show off the night. So the man said, look, uptown boy, I'm going to like God. So, the DJ like 11 times per one diseases. 11 different lyrics.
11 different lyrics.
Yeah, every time I get a forward, I say, oh, whole heap of lyrics for my mind. So
I really show off, you go show off with your Burro. All heap of lyrics for your mind, so you chat one lyrics 2 times.
When we see the boss come out and him go so over him, I'm having my glass and him look over it. And I say, boss come out and look for me. When I'm done DJ now, Mr. Squidly come call me and say, the boss want to see you in my office, you know. And the first time this now, I ever get a pay in an envelope for DJ. Because the man said, yes, you come on the sound 3 nights straight.
Yes.
So I'm not going to pay you like what the big DJ them get. But I'm going to give you $80 a night. I'm going to feel good. Well, that's how I start. Travel with Gemini. Go everywhere now. I'm like go every other sound now and just stick with Gemini. Because I get paid now.
Yes. Official settings. Envelope.
Yeah, my things start go good now.
Before we push on with the musical part of the thing though, you said that early out because you were on the street, you used to sell callaloo. What else you used to do for the hustle to survive?
Sell star.
It's a sell star.
Yeah, man, we do all kind of hustling, man. We look mango, hockey,
construction.
anything we can get. I know I never too much be a constructor, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I never like that cement something. Nah, tell a lie. That
But you try out for it one time.
one time, I'm going to lift up 2 buckets.
Yes.
And find I never
I know
mind.
your thing, right?
You know, so we'll be more like go up a cherry garden, go pick the people in mango, go look some soursop,
And go hustle
some
them.
hockey, all kind of hustling up there. So. You know, see, you go out some yard too, where want somebody to sweep up the yard.
You just brush
and,
that.
And you do every little thing. So every little thing come.
So even though you're on the street, Burro, you still a try hustle the honest way.
Yeah, because the truth, around me now, I say all of my friends them are drop.
Oh.
Yeah, my little friend them,
Yes.
where the whole of we grew up in a Grand Spend. I can't count how much of them I see are dead. One of the time now, I remember 3 youth. Well, 3 of them dead like the Monday, and 1 youth get where. And everybody in the area say, oh, nah man, him can't dead man. I know what time that man they go and get where.
Yeah.
But when we really take it serious now, at the Thursday, when me or one youth come over there and say, Pepper just dead, you know. And Ratty get to again. 3 more youth dead now, you know.
Yeah.
Up at the place named Arcada.
Yes.
Yeah, up on the road there. 3 of them dead in our house. Police killed 3 of them in the house. And him get to again. I mean, I say, but why it hurt me so much? I feel it. My father used to live on Grand Spring Avenue on the front. Then you have a little lane come behind my house now. Right behind us now, Pepper
Them
live.
dead.
Pepper.
Oh, Pepper live there,
yeah,
so.
so me and Pepper.
You know Pepper like
yeah,
that?
like we come like brother. And him got dead now. So you know, I start feel it more now. My father get to me and hold me when I New Day school and came up and start warn me. And I thinking me that would beat me. And them things they come in and go home for about 6 weeks now, I never go home. You know? I make them make up to and hold me.
Yes.
I know I run when I go to school. How you think my father hold me?
School.
Yeah, I have to come talk to
The principal.
the principal and the teacher. I mean in the class now. But when school out for over more time now, them don't know when me left.
Take for yourself.
Yeah. But that time I don't know what she do me. She just put a padlock on it. On the grill.
Half a brace.
Yeah, so my father come down and hold me in the classroom and I feel like him now beat me. I said to him, say, Papa, I can't take that beating thing there in front of my friend now. So
Yeah.
you know, I just can't, that's something. When them just carry me in the office, talk to me, him and the teacher them. And I tell him, say, him come to school every day.
Yeah.
Clean too.
Yeah.
So them I wonder how I do it. You get me? So after that now, you know, we start moving my father. I
Yes.
start here where himself a little bit.
Makes sense.
More now come say
Because your friend them a drop
yeah.
out.
You know, I'm one and say some of them places you sleep in some old car, you know, people can come light it a fire with you in there and all them things them start to say, yeah, them things they real, you know, because we never that check them things
Yes,
when we are youth.
yes, yes.
Now check them put that dead.
Yes.
You know? So right so now we start gather experience and the experience it make me be a man.
Yes.
You know?
The government name Burro is Donovan Spalding.
Yeah, Donovan Spalding.
Burro Banton. Oh, that's something that come about.
Well, the Burro now, a school me there. And me have a nickname first where them call me Skidoo.
Skidoo.
Yeah, but that I don't up where me live, up Grand Spend. Well, a girl now, she happened to come in our area. I hear the name that I'm with upon like the holiday from in August time. With upon August.
Independence, emancipation
in that
time,
time, with upon holiday. A good long holiday. So she come now, but she hear the name, but when I go back to school, she don't remember the name. So she did there and she think and she said, what them call you again up here? And me nah talk and dog here there. And she just said, you know, I think a Burro joke stole. All right. When a nickname will catch you, you know,
Yeah.
what do you think a nickname catch you?
When you go out like in a like
When you
it.
don't want any.
Yeah, man. I said catch up in
So
trouble.
everybody start, Burro joke stole. You know, till the name just come bigger than my name what my mother give me.
Yes.
Everybody that them know me by now. Burro, you know where I go to Burro? Well, I come now, because when I start DJing, I never really name Burro Banton. You know?
Yes.
No, my name Papa Burro.
Papa Burro.
You can me that try out all of them names that were the day before. Burro Rankin, you know? So, a Rankin Joe.
Rankin Joe.
Yeah, he was a big DJ for me, because to me that say I'm my teacher.
Rankin Joe.
Yeah, he's the greatest DJ ever.
Rankin Joe.
Rankin Joe. Ever DJ upon a
Greatest
sound.
DJ ever.
Ever DJ upon a sound. I'm not talking about
Yeah,
a
I
record.
understand what you mean, man.
Yeah,
Sound DJ.
live DJ. You never have nobody come great on him.
Rankin Joe.
Because this man would have come in and dance from all 5:30. And when him come in, he will give some brata lyrics. I'm feeling brata lyrics now. And when the man come, like how we da go a dance and post for try to get a girl or something. When the man come in the dance, I might him.
DJ, my DJ.
Yes, if him come 6 o'clock, him start DJ at that time. And dance get all them time from 8 o'clock.
Yes.
So it's the man that come in at the dance now and them do 2 hours out of that first. And then when the 8 hour come, they see them stop it and say, all for free. Black people, I beg you step through the gate and pay your musical rate and come forward street because everything going to great. And I say, rhyme it out. And I start watching now and say, eh. And that man them want to be name great.
Yeah.
Because for the 2 hours of brata lyrics.
Yes.
You know, I start, you know, get my bad mind as a little youth. Because I start watching where I go repeat for the whole night. Because the man DJ now, you know. Back now, start 6 o'clock. Whole back dance get 8 o'clock. I'm now start DJ so till like all 4, 5 o'clock tomorrow morning, you know.
Yeah?
Yeah, and him not say back nothing.
No repeat.
No repeat. Like him I say, go and bury the bad mind self and come back tomorrow again. More lyrics there. And I see it and I say, boy, that man is great. And I say, you don't want to be that brother. So everywhere him go, because I DJ I sound him real symbolic first. And when him done with real symbolic, him go stereograph. Yeah. You know? I'm a first clash. When I ever clash in life. For sure you how serious me take DJ world. Where you think me clash?
Ranking Joe.
Ranking Joe. And kill me, man. Beat my bad.
Where's a killer, bro?
Yeah, beat my bad.
Yeah.
I tell a lie. But I beat him there.
It's a lesson.
The right beat that me ever get. Because
Yeah.
hear what happen now. It all give me a name in a DJ world.
Oh.
And when a man now remember my name, him say,
That man a Ranking Joe kill, man.
yeah, remember the brother when Ranking Joe teach him so I beat bad. Eh? What's my name again? Burro.
Burro.
Yeah, so. Well, now, I have the Burro now, and my Burro boss.
Yes.
But then now Papa come in.
Yeah. I got Burro. I got Papa
Yeah,
Burro.
him said a 2 ranking. That man I tell me them time, they say a 2 ranking you have. I ranking Trevor and I ranking Joe. You don't have no more ranking. Yeah, so watch your man run me out of ranking. Can't take on the ranking again. So
Yeah.
Papa start.
Yeah.
I say I have no Papa Biggie, Papa San, Papa Dear Papa. So my name Papa Burro. Well, my Papa Burro I go on now. I do a Gemini now with Papa Burro. I'm big. My thing get huge now. Me almost what I say. Could I say? Not the biggest thing in Jamaica.
Yeah, so
As
that
a DJ.
so Welton, Ari, and somebody is still there?
I'm still there.
Oh, okay, but you
See,
grew up
yeah,
also
I'm grown
now.
yeah. I mean the crowd I say. But it's like one night now, Gemini I played on Anna Town. And me and Peter Metro. Metro that be more like my rival. Me and Metro come in on the games. Almost
Same time.
Same. Me and me, Metro and King Yellow, man.
And King Yellow.
Yeah, we come in on the business same time. Well, it's like, we go to Anatown and me a DJ down there. But in them time, the politics more and now.
Yeah.
Yeah, because now, the youth them more in a, more like corner war and gang war.
Yes.
And them thing there.
Versus politics
them
war.
time they are politics.
war.
If you not be labor right,
Yeah, for the
or
PMP.
PMP, if you say none of them, man, they'll do a bad thing, stab you up bad and say, get in gear. You get me?
You have to be something.
Yeah, because you're some neutral. And I'm going to say, no, man, you have to get in gear, you know, one other side. So,
boy.
true me, I go jungle more now and a jungle, I take me on and
Yes,
give me that a respect, yeah.
Take on the PNP
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to just jungle, Jonestown. I'm going to get some DJ hard in the night, you know, me and Peter Metro, we are going good. And I say, a man just come at the doorway with a gun. And they say, hey, big nose boy. I'm going to jungle and Jonestown, you know. So I'm request all Rima man and Tivoli man now. I shout you. Peter Metro, I inform on him neatly. I'm saying, Burro say it, you know. Him name Danny Banton. But whenever I say, I inform him, make sure I say if the man do me something, I must know how to do my things.
Yes.
Neatly.
Neatly.
I know the whole of them from
Yeah,
long
because
time.
him- yeah.
I don't
I don't understand this.
Yeah. Well, the way I get hype now, I say, I jump out and I go on wicked card of man who can't go to dance, you know, when we really go with it, you know. I would have like George Pang, Mugged and storage, Leng and Amin, you know. I don't know if you know them police there.
Leng. Leng sting Leng, man.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, but Amin already,
Amin,
man.
because round the front of the car is a black Opel.
Yes.
Yeah, you have Leng and Amin round the front, and Mugged and storage round the back.
Yeah.
See me, some of them where they dance with them now. Some man and try to judge bang them bad people and everything now. Me hype up myself though, wickedly.
You have a company, you have a
man,
crowd.
Yeah, man, I'm back it in. That Peter Mitchell look at me and said to me, Burro, don't make them do that brother here nothing tonight. You know. Any you make them do nothing. You make them do the brother nothing.
Problem.
Anywhere you go, them will kill you back, you know. I say, I said, that brother stink. Brother hot, man. Man say, yeah, man. And just give me a name. Say, them a Rima 13, Burro. Them a real bad man. If you don't want DJ no more, come here, just left the dance. And we left. So, true, me not tell George Pang, them we really go on and go and left them and them carry me. When them hear about the thing, them start clown me.
You run away.
No, Banton.
Oh,
Banton.
Banton.
Yeah, everywhere man see me, hey, like I'm afraid of Banton, the name, you know. I say, boy, the clowning in the area, but now I reach out the road.
Yeah.
Where road boy, I'll get that thing and clown out the road, I go clown me up to. You understand
Yeah,
me?
I know what you say,
man. I say, yeah, we're really going on. Is if you stop this, you have to find something for you, Burro. Because you have the mic. Somebody just say, no, I have to build the lyrics I'll fight. And the man them start carrying on the dance now. And people are here, but them don't know what it's Banton about. Somebody just come up with something and say, when I was a youth, you know, them call me Burro. Now that time a man who me can't understand. Them change Burro name and to the lyrics Banton.
Mash up.
Kill it, yeah. And I tell them, you know, born a wild time and grow a Barbican and all kind of thing. You know the lyrics, and I say, yeah. I see how people start. Banton, lyrics Banton. And I say, well, when I measure it back now with the Burro Banton, I say, you know, so that's something that the Banton is really want. Burro you want. Yes. I don't know Papa not.
I don't know Papa.
A Burro Banton.
Burro Banton.
Yeah, I want to find out now too. Boy, Pang them love me, you know. But I don't know if they would really love me like that brother with them Danny Banton, you know.
Yeah.
Everywhere I go DJ, this brother at the back of me. I'm always come and say, yo, Burro, at time you don't even know say I put the Banton feed Banton for my name yet, you know. The man I come and say, Burro, where I drink? Then I used to drink Heineken. I buy 6 Heineken ring come put them on the table. But I can't remember one night special. Because the man them don't jungle and doing things to, you know, through me, you know.
Ah.
You know, see it. But you when them come over Jonestown, over a place named Eagle and Angling Center. Right side of the police station. And when I see the man, I start, like, I mean, get nervous. I don't know if them know him. Them will wipe him. I say, yeah, where really going on? Banton shouldn't there, say, you know. I say, bro, where I say? I know where I'm going, you know. I know, like them look man over there saying at the Red Sea when them going off it, come off a duty. I always dip on duty, Burro. I have a piece of rusty iron so I not left it gone. Now, I have your head back, you're good, man. I said, but that brother, you're mad. That crazy brother, this.
Yeah.
I find out now, everywhere I go. Everywhere I go DJ.
Him did it.
Yeah. I go other place named Boston, where them jerk the pork out.
The Portland.
Yeah. And the man dead me, I'm afraid, I'm frightened when I see him because that night I'm just like a police. Neat. He them gun on him waist. You couldn't say he's not a police.
Yeah.
I said, geez, and the brother I take set from me now, boy, I can't get him off of me. Tell her. When I see him for a couple of weeks, and Christmas I come now, I'm dead on her. Because them time now, one more loaf pan, Princess Street, Luke Lane, because down there, so, you know, the arcade them.
The vibes,
yeah. The Maglin thing.
Okay.
They're down there, so. All of the Clarks, them and them thing there. They side of Igla, because one time Igla run Jamaica. Believe it. See me appear Igla. When Igla come at your dance, you must make a money. Because them I come by the boxes. Them first start do that. See me? And him said to me, say, Burro, But I never took my mind, you know. So I aim it really. Back the gun for me. And I say, watch this. I'm coming now, but I remember my mother, my mommy, go so now, and juke me in that. And I'm side there, so. You know, like how a girl that joke
Yeah.
So I'm going to say, Star, where that? A woman joke man say, no. Man, I touch man at them place. Like man, I tell him, say, man. But before I come out of it, he said to me, say, Burro, you know, see, I'm a DJ. And if you do something for me, I have to box up. What you just say? Are you? Whoa, I start type you now.
Yeah.
One wicked one. I'm just look over easy and just set up where they are style and him say, Snakey. Because the brother used to live down there, so you know. The Waterford. Yeah. He said, Snakey, you're not telling me how. Eh? So when police put up for them one, I still have it. And the police them the right, they say, no, the man they show him gun right there, so you know, so I said, Burro, when I left it gun away. And I hear him come for, you know. I said, come for me. I said, yeah, man. I'm a start. No, I'm not going to wear the and them thing there. The man I said, boy, you think, you know, the money in the work, because them tell me we not make the money, $100 a night left for DJ. And I said, Burro, DJ are broke people, you know. Eh? Boy, I may go drink some Heineken on a local, you know. Come, man. And Snake said, go on with him, boy. When I move off, the man said, Burro, I work, I come off, you know. And I never even grab it, you know. And I come back, you know, big. And that man,
That work.
He'd have a bag now, them tiny name, a Panam. Mark on the bag, like my long angle, bag where you throw over your shoulder, mark Panam. And the man just goes and says, Burro, watch her. Them time the biggest money we have at Jamaica, $20. They call it blood money. The man have a Panam bag full, but neat, you know. I said, no more, I'm going to him. I go around there and think the man will buy me two Heineken, the man buy me a box of Heineken.
Yeah?
Yeah. Get the weed, give me everything. And then that thing get red and don't even know myself. You know. I tell people, tell me now, say, Burro, I want van them get, you know, and them swing you and throw you in the van back. And wet you up with the rest of Heineken where you can't drink. And say, oh, tell him to come give him back a check. And from there, so again.
Yeah, Linky.
Yeah. He can't cross the border now. At them time, they went up on the PMP side.
Yes.
And him start look at me and tell me, say, Burro, you know me here talk about PMP. You're not a PMP, you know. And you're not a labor right neither. Where you say you though? You're DJ for baldhead and dreadlocks. Eh? Yes, so nobody make me hear about no PMP again and them things.
Yes.
You're my DJ. I mean, a labor right, so you can't even tell me nothing. I can't go down and then I'm town school. First, he tell me, say, Burro, you have 2 guns. And when you come here on one, you make you defend yourself, man. And I reach, go down, I'm kind of afraid too. So I go stand up underneath a light in the place for everybody to see me there. No dark. I just see the man just come on in front of me and discuss and say, Burro, which one am I want? I have said, no, Banton, I don't use that.
Yeah.
You have to talk about it, man.
Yeah.
I never do that yet. I don't know. And from that, I Burro Banton.
Yeah, Burro Banton.
I write this on Burro Banton.
The original Banton of the business.
Yeah, and then, is a man enough time I see me to him all those. Because if you see me all that stadium, he just loud me up. Where you get your name from?
Yeah.
Yo, you not tell them.
I'm still around today?
Yeah.
Okay,
He live
nice.
longer than I'm town.
Okay. You're the Gemini, you know. You're the big DJ at Gemini.
Yeah, you know, because what really going on is like Ringo and Welton are a step off.
Oh.
I'm going to live in America. So it left now just Burro and Squidly.
Okay.
You have to run the sound, you know. And, when they had the sound for a while, till it's like one night now I come in a skate land. I think it was a Christmas Eve night. But you know, how half a tree go on Christmas Eve night. The whole Jamaica,
Whole
they
heap
are
of
half a
people.
tree. But nobody knock, none of dance them come.
And just
Them-
come for
No, people, una
Shopping
shop,
and them
a
something.
shopping night, the last shopping night like for Christmas. So me hear that sound, me hear a sound, I play in a skate land. I'm try that me into. I left out of the crowd. I'm going to skate and I'm going to buy 2 drinks and sit down on the ring. I'm start hear that sound I play. And that sound I know I play some music well. I know whether me dep on it or me not dep on it. Anybody dep on that sound now. That sound I go run Jamaica. I say, you know, some of the business, but that sound I want DJ. Like it. It look like we. Yeah, because it's not playing a soul music on
Yeah.
because Gemini sound is a sound, right? Like how Stone Love play now.
Yes.
Part of it a soul music, part a like a calypso.
Some
and
like
then-
a reggae
yeah,
thing.
Yeah, I saw Gemini
Nice
used to
play.
play. Yeah.
But that's only I just
I
reggae.
just rub it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, but the dance not having nobody nah DJ, but the tune them where I play. Dub playing in the ghetto tonight. Go. Them time them do no jammies produce them song. Yeah.
Yes.
And I say, me the man play. I don't say, take your time. Papa Jaro have the old place shaking. I don't mind. Cause Papa Jaro have a dub line. I say, when get them record there? Whether me DJ this song, it go run the place.
Yeah.
And me have to do that. So I step off now. I see a man named Ted. I say, Ted, how far sound is? And they tell me, I hear one. I say, no, Burro not my sound, but I mean, drive the sound, but anyway, it happen. So I say, I want to know the boss. I want DJ that sound, you know. And I say, no, man, that sound I have a DJ them already, you know. Which is a youth named Dirty Harry, a DJ named Oh Lord, and the big DJ upon it named Jim Kelly.
Jim Kelly.
Yeah. But through me and Jim Kelly, it really, Jim Kelly is still upon Roots Unlimited.
Roots
with-
Unlimited,
with
okay.
me too, you know.
Yeah.
So when I said to him, so which Kelly? He come from over Spanish Town and I say, yeah, I said, shit. No, I don't have to ask you the work, you know. I get the work already, you know. But I still have to ask the boss.
Yes.
Yeah, so when I got to the boss and I said to him, say, you know me that like DJ sound, sir. He said to me, say, Burro, I know say you're a bad DJ, you know, because it's a half attack. Kind of try to hear them. Yeah, I know you're a bad DJ, you know, Burro. But you know, me I'm a DJ them already. Me that like you on the sound. But I know me, you own the mic. I Kelly them own the mic. So if you go to Jim Kelly and he say, me take you on the sound, then me pay you. So go and check Kelly. And Kelly I say, where I say, Burro? XY, where I said, no, I'm start now. I never want, come in a real one, just jump ship on Gemini. So
Okay.
I get $80 on Gemini. The first time I'm going to Jaro, he give me $500
Yeah?
for the night.
So
I'm-
$420 more in the world.
what you think more I'm going to ask for with Gemini?
5 bills.
20 more dollars, make it be $100 for me now.
That's
And the
$100.
man say, him can't do it, you know. I have so much trouble for pay. And I say, Jaro, I say, Jimmy, you know, say, I walk up another command. I'm pay him $500 a night for Kilimanjaro. But I'm Jaro no boss yet. That big way there.
Yes.
So I feel like an idiot. So can go on. And when he says, I said, thank you. First time I go to Jaro, one place named Grandma Giant. Up at Laverne Tavern.
Grandma Giant.
Grandma Giant. On a mountain top. Yo, more on the dancing done, it can't do. I go to the selector and tell him, say, you don't have merengue. Okay. Play them song then, man, for run with them people out of the dance. People them nah go at 6 o'clock
Nah
have to
go
come. They have to light first. Before, I said, that's all they're bad. All of them play all calypso, everything, the people that nah go up. Get the work now, we start. Go with Jaro. Start, go with Jaro. Jaro boss, big now.
You go bust Jaro.
No, Jaro, him boss me and me boss it. Because the sound, as I tell you, the sound that go boss whether me depend it or not.
Yeah.
Me and Jim Kelly start DJ now. Well, to go on and so till Them killed Jim Kelly over Spanish Town.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's a Junior Kelly brother. You see?
Yeah.
If love was so nice, that
Tell me what you heard about, yeah, man.
Yeah, a fiend brother. And them kill him over Spanish Town, over Red Panda. But when we are going to dance at night time now, and a DJ, come like every time I pass him, I still a see him. I say, no, I don't know that dead man. He was my friend, you know, Papa. You know, I skip sound again. That time now, I have a sound coming now, named Volcano.
Great Volcano.
But it big and it not have nobody. Hold the mic around it.
Yes.
And I get them have a tryout one night with practically every DJ in Jamaica. So that KIW,
Yes.
I'm Lane there, and Mackay Lane. And the road black, you know, me I tell you. Bus have to go round. And I watch every DJ, but now I really hear some people up on the road like that. And the first time I go in there and go, ay, 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 I hear every fence out the road rattle. And I go in again and I hear the fence rattle again. A DJ 3 song and come off. I mean, you can't take it free for yourself alone.
Yeah, because
try out everybody I come DJ. I mean, hear like a man come tell me, say, Burro, if you hold the mic, John just say, you're the DJ for the song.
That Henry say?
Yeah, Henry John just say, you're the DJ for the song. I remember saying, make everybody make King Yellow Man, you know.
Yes.
He make Josie Wheel.
Look at John them.
He make everybody.
Yes.
And the sound really the buy for Tayan. And Liquor John. Because them come from there. I feel them here.
Yes.
Me come from
Mackay
Barrington.
Lane.
And so me, you know, make me rate myself as the baddest DJ. Because for the man who boss everybody. And me left from Barbican and come DJ the sound. And if me not come, nobody not come and dance. Look here, who are DJ? We go foreign. And like, when I come back, all them just go. And the radio guy say, Burro come from foreign, you know. And I play with a 3-piece line out of Nagazed. And the amount of crowd where I see. I say, yeah, me a volcano. Me a volcano now.
Yes.
So, we start going from volcano now till the first time ever clash. There's a man this way. He beat me 2 times already. I'm going to like tell line a DJ. Right? Charlie Chaplin strapped me up.
Charlie beat you too?
Yeah. Beat me 2 times.
Yeah.
But never
And
like.
you were at Gemini at the time or Jaro?
But they are Jaro. But here the wickedest thing now. He never really take me on like said the two of us start same time. You understand me? Dance full. Him a special guest. Come hold the mic, mash up the place. And all of the bad rhythm them that time too. Fling me out all of my sound because I feel like I wait. See me? I see. Can build the lyrics off of me too. I'm say. After I send Josie Whale for go on #1. I see him like Josie Whale, I wait. I take too long again. Walk on Burro nose and reach #1. And the place boss. I say, then I'm here #1. You never know I'm here #1. Well, now, make me get now the chance I'll find now. For clash with him, like for clash. 2 of you are going to start
same
from
time.
first lyrics. I'm a DJ sound name, People's Choice.
People's Choice.
I'm a DJ Volcano. Spanish Town Prison Oval. So if you know the type of crowd where there is.
Yes.
And at 7 o'clock in the morning, I saw John them have to lift me out. Go put me in our beds. And the whole crowd, the whole place starts say, John shot him. You know that I shot our? So John give me coke.
Yeah.
I mean, I try to make people know, say, you know, for me, a DJ, the first night is never go out and never drink a Guinness. I never smoke a spliff. I not do nothing that night, because I have to know myself. Everything when I say, I have to know, because tonight. But here when I know, say, I go to win now. Night now. Because Josie Whale, me have Josie. Charlie Chaplin a bad DJ, but me have Josie Whale as bad a DJ.
As a bad DJ.
Yeah, because Josie Whale neater. See me? Josie Whale neat, man. Like
yes.
you, right?
Yes.
See him? And when I look, I say, him, go over where? Charlie Chaplin there. I borrow him come side there. And me and him a DJ, you know. And how close the man, them a salute me. I tell you one time, I think I shoot them, come for shoot me, Papa, man. Because the M16, them a bus. Right all of my ears.
Lone gun salute.
I get salute till a week. At the same night now, Spanish Town. Barrington Levy. But a song was say, enough call it Spanish Town, a prison oval rock. Oh, hey, can you listen? All them songs that was dubbing, you know.
Yeah.
Come out same way, you know. He said the people are skanking. The prisoners are prepping. Enough try to escape when them hear volcano playing so. And in the air that a Jackie fashion and move. Eh? Okay, I saw the song, man. You see me? Yeah, right, that's all.
History class.
Yeah, I mean, I tell a man, say, oh, it come like the prisoner, them over burn down the prison. The amount of fire when we see over that. You see it? Yeah, yes or no? Yeah, I know, sir, I think, ho.
Say about Charlie that I
Yeah, we win. We win that night, yeah. Well, we're going good at everything, you know, but really, we got to find out, say, I never really meet Junja love like that. And Josie Whale him love. But Josie Whale a DJ Stargraph. You see it? So, this is my career. If I lose the night, yeah, I'm done for. Because people, I change every sound, you know. Because I always tell a man, say, you know, say, I never own a sound yet. And here I'm going for one, money. So anywhere the money there, pan sound, and then I got that me loyal to. I'm loyal to the papers. So anybody I pay the money and they want me there, I go.
Yes.
Well, Kilimanjaro and Volcano clash, 121 Maxwell Avenue. And it's like, you want to see, sometimes something going like it come like it planned, it never really planned, you know. It's like you have a brother named Samakan. He might have a bike named 185 Suzuki. So I'm come pick me up on my yard around Meadowvale. And when we reach at the dance gate, you know, like me that say somebody go tell Charlie something there at the gate. But here's the thing when me never like now with that night. Yeah. Volcano are my song. When me DJ. See? But a me a draw card pan. And a my sound, that means say who you want clash. Eh? No must borrow you want clash.
Yes.
Because the next sound over there, so them DJ Super Cat and early be everybody over. So I said, so I'm not call early be them name and my name alone. No. So when I go in there, I just allow them for DJ. For the hour. Pan Volcano. But you know me Jaro DJ already. I mean left Jaro. I never get noticed when I left Jaro. So I can go back anytime.
Yeah.
So right away in I dance, you know, I stand up. Cause the man get a big forward off of me at the gate, you know. I'm come off of the bike. I'm going to dance. I walk, go weird on the back underneath a mango tree, go stand up and fold me on. I'm going to tell you that all the youth come to me. With a whole lion, I said, Burro, go shoot him. And I said, no, man, he was dead in there before he go home tonight, man. Dance has started. That's cool. So when I'm done, and I'm so over to Kilimanjaro, rush for Kilimanjaro, Mike, before the DJ, them, when he left.
Yes.
Super Cat.
Super Cat.
Yeah, man.
Early.
But Super Cat was my best friend, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, I say one, I say the next one.
Yes.
I'm glad when we do that too. Yeah. The biggest beat never see a DJ get.
Robbie Boat.
I don't know which part them want to come out at the dance time. It's not through the gate. And my virgin tell me, son, not through the gate, them walk, bro. You get me?
Yeah.
I walk, it's a come back. And you know, I lose that night, yeah. I'm done for.
So you go back to Jaro after that then?
No, Jaro, I just left Volcano right there, so now I'm going to Kilimanjaro. I done it Volcano. Kilimanjaro, we go back, you know.
So that time you, Cat and the doctor?
Yeah.
Big lineup?
Yeah, and you have like Poddy Roots.
Poddy?
Come in and know Poddy not get bigger, you know.
Poddy not bad singer, man?
Poddy bigger than we, you know.
Yeah?
Name, you know. Nah, man, Puddy Roots coming like Kilimanjaro himself, man. If you have keep dance and Puddy not come, it come like Jaro not come. I tell you the truth. That's how Puddy did it. Puddy it up. Upton James. But
Puddy Roots.
Yeah, and you Madu. But Puddy was the main singer. We sing, him out sing we.
As a DJ all night. Puddy
If 200 tune play for the night and the rhythm turn over, I sing for the 200 of them. Puddy that.
Yeah?
I never about nobody when no people old tune from long time.
Like Puddy.
Hey Cecilia, you're down on one knee. Hey, what? And he make me know all that song was said. Sleeping one night when the father vision, I said I wanted to be another. All of them sang there. A Puddy make me know them, the words.
Yes.
Stand upside down and listen them.
So how Puddy not bigger than
That's
OMG?
why I wonder all now. The truth. Because even all true confession that the number 2 on the chart.
A Puddy for say with that.
Puddy me here with that and Liquor John singing. Unless I tell you the truth.
Yeah, man, we appreciate the truth, man.
See, so
So you're dead Jari now?
yeah.
With the great
Early
Mirage,
yeah.
Doctor,
Yeah, at them time of the truth.
Puddy Roots,
Yeah, the baddest lyrics man ever come here first, I early me.
Doctor.
Yeah, I never thought them. Film, the only thing why me that say him, because son is bad enough.
Son,
Yeah, because forever, the truth, lyrically,
son,
son of the baddest lyrics man ever in Jamaica.
Papa son.
Papa San. Papa San are the baddest lyrics DJ ever. Mr. Permanent.
Yeah.
I'm not telling a lie.
Baddies.
Bad.
So what you get? So you have son over Early B.
Yeah, cause here we go now. Early B lyrics would have been like more record.
Oh, son are more sound DJ business.
Yeah. Cause if you listen, even now, help me cook my Sunday dish. You get me? Yeah, one join the army,
Yes.
all of them there, a record. One wheel
yeah.
wheelie,
One wheel.
and them thing there. You get me? But son I one of the DJ too when he come and dance, you know, and like I mic, you know.
Yeah.
No man. From here till 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock a morning, you know, him alone we do it, you know. Yeah man in the bad way that man. Wicked pan lyrics, man. But the only thing you never have a unique voice like me.
Right.
In my early be, you never have two good voice.
Yes.
You understand me? But
Because
yeah.
cat voice from your ear, you know say a cat.
Yeah.
From your ear, burro, you know say a burro
Yeah,
that.
you know?
True.
So, but me respect Papa San as the lyrics man.
Yeah.
Because when he come and start, you know, on top of that, I tell a lie the great.
So
Now, you
no.
can't say it even great same way.
Yes.
Because the man take it out of dance and
Run
carry it
a
in
church.
a church. And it still work. Everybody else have to run out of the church left him. Enough man turn Christian. You know. Ninja man, everybody got turn Christian, you know. But Papa San run them out of the church. Like the truth, they never, I know we're not lyrics like him. We're not
It's
telling
a load of
I
lyrics
know we're
like
not
him.
lyrics like him. Papa. Not telling a lie.
So Jaro was the big sound
Big
then.
sound now. Well, Jaro go on, but Jaro, money did it.
Small enough.
It baby. You get me? Because I have enough man for pay it. But there, I heard over Gregor Park there. Meadowvale one day. I'm a racehorse man, you know. I love it, you know.
Truck, I think.
I love that, man. I don't think nobody over track love it more than me. Them know, man. If you're even looking at the commercial,
Yeah.
when them a commercial
Yeah, in
track,
there.
I mean, you see, them show me board of everybody. See board there? Yeah. See me? So, this is some BMW come my yard gate on a Sunday morning. And I said, Burro, I want to talk to you, know. But we are go over stable there, we will keep a little feasting. Because when we ask, we are going to make some food. And when we go over there, and them talk, them say, you know, we have a computer sound that come to Jamaica. And I say, I never hear about no computer sound yet. So, him say, his name is Terra Mars. And then we eat and him tell me, say, them have Nicodemus already. in Miami. He might come down with the sound. But the boss said, for the sound said, he want 3 more DJ upon the sound, which is Burro, Super Cat, and General Trees.
Great General Trees.
Yeah. Trees come for 2 nights and never come back.
Eh?
Yeah, because him and more, they're Scorpio thing.
Okay.
Never fight him for that, man.
Okay.
You know? Yeah, but Trees are one of the great, man.
Yes.
You know, see it. So it end up it left with this and all, but that's how I know come at me no money.
Stir Mars.
Yeah, because the first time now, let me tell you, the man them come. Because this was just a test run. Him say, the big sound come at and we have a little sound on a Mandeville. I thought play Saturday night time. We can Saturday come. We can come for you. See if you can get Super Cat for me. And I say, all right. I'm going to tell Cat. When I forgot, Cat duck me. Gone a jar up.
Yeah.
I mean, alone I forgot them. I'm Mandeville. So one time, I go to Mandeville. I'm a DJ for about 2 hours on the liquor sound and done. And they're nice until the man just come put a palm me. Put it in my pocket. Well, one the argument for done, you know, I want to see. I really cause, you know, for pay $1 them so.
Yeah.
Because no man never give me so much money at one time.
Yes.
Last stick up. This one, I get the chance, so I cry, excuse me for go piss, you know. I'm going to go so and look, you know. It's a Kyle $50 US, you know. 57. $50 bill.
57, $50 bill.
US money, you know. It's a blood clean. Yo, I don't have nothing for carry boy. If I have something for run away right at that time, I'm gone because I feel like a rank pass la money the brother give me. Well, I take care of myself. All when the man, I sleep the night, and then I carry him home the next day. I still listen to the man. Yeah, I listen to the man and tell me, say, hey, you know, the rank pass la money again. When we reach me yard and she said, nothing go so. But I jump out of the car, going on car, waiting my mind upon now. Super Cat. Can him duck me? I'm a say cat. So I take off about 5 of them, you know, and give me woman, you know, and say, you go to the supermarket and do the thing, man. I soon come. I head over Sea View. I'm gone over Boobs yard, you know. That's how we used to call Super Cat.
Boobs?
Yeah, woman, we call her Boobs.
Oh,
Sharon
okay.
Boobs.
Sharon Boobs.
Yeah, so one time, I'm going to the house. My boss, you know. I'm going to knock them up in them bed because Cat just come from dance, you know. But wherever you get me, can't sleep. We're going to knock the door. Yo, the guitar. Yo, Boobs. And then wake up. Hey, Boobs, wake up, I say them. I say, Cat, eh? And just take out my Kyla money. And take off 3 of them and give me and say, come in and give female man money. Pass the money, girl.
Yeah.
Him have to pass it.
To give her, you know, give her.
So
respect that.
So I said to him, say, give Boobs, me should go put fry on the table, you know, all kind of fry. Yeah, that means one egg, plantain, everything a breakfast, you know, big breakfast. So I'm just take out my Kyle and start to check it, you know, in front of him. And show him, say, hey, you know, say, is that man like here, give me? Eh? Is that cool man, give me that money, you know, say, if you never come, you see, eh? Come let man move the house, give you. Because
we're not said here.
You see, I get big though. I say, Burro, eh? So I can't go check that man here. So the Monday now. And I say, yeah man, I can't go check the man, what you have. But me up on the man and show him, say, oh, I down there and tell him, say, you're bad, you know. Say, you can't go down there and left it, you know.
Yes.
Like, after you have it, I go down there, you know. So we get on Brennan Dukes now, car and film driver.
Yes.
Then what them carry their name again? Lada.
Lada.
Yeah, I'm a rich man, every man. I'm going there, I'm going the yard, I'm going, I'm saying, Trevor Dan! That's the big coolie man now. And I say, Trevor! Super Cat out there, you know. I want to talk to him. So make him come now. And I say, no man. I'm going to tell you, say, the man bad man. The man have it, you know. Yeah, but him not have what. I say, yeah man, the have it man. Come give the man a check, man. I rob them, we don't want to really rob them life. But we want to get the money from you. If you go for the money, I know come give it. You know, see it. When them come around, cat just go him quick. And just say, hey, let me start the yard for you. And say, no, you can't do that in here. You know, cat. And I say, yes, cat, we have them, you know. Yeah? See? Yeah, cool, eh? We don't have no much money cat get. So come back up. And I see him start cat all the bedroom now, you know. Everywhere through the house, you know. Him house, you know. Because cat an Indian like him. And he really want a bad man in the Indian thing around him. Like cat.
Yeah.
And I see it. So Trevor don't know. Hang on upon cat. But we don't have much loyalty because he really say the woman like cat. Feed woman.
Yeah.
And I go down to the cat and ask him, say, no, Burro. Like other man here start to loyal, you know.
Nah, trouble.
And I see her, you know.
Yeah.
And I see it. Yeah. Then we don't know Skengdan yet, you know. The sound not come yet.
So hold on there. So Steramar linked to Skengdan?
Skengdan wants Steramars?
Me never know that. I'll be honest with you, right? I mean, not even edit this out. Me never know that.
Yeah, man, the Dan. The real Dan alone the sound. I'm not talking about the Dan.
Yes.
You know, no more Dan that ever come like him. The real Dan. The big Dan. Skengdan. Yeah. Where he used to... Them the way we begin with, you're supposed to know, say the Dan. Man like you should have on rock, on moon in a rocking chair. Like he Indian fan with the eagle's feather. Eh?
Yeah.
And them, yeah, man, and them tired of give that man, yeah, man. Believe it, man. Me never bought no more man like him. When it come to
Send on the
spending.
cheese.
You see me? Because the man are not, all we are small fries. For pay, we are small fries, man.
So the sound forward eventually.
For the sound come down, and the man will come with the sound, Nicodemus. Come with him car too. He come with a car we never see again yet. It's name Chalmers.
Chalmers.
Yeah, that's Demus and them Chalmers. You see me? Because if him take DJ all them things upon song. Man the Veil, I did some Mr. Fabulous live. You get me?
Yeah.
I have my house and my car and my stereo and I have my big fridge. You get me? Yeah, any house I'm living at. It's not for little, it's for massive and big.
Yeah.
You know, see it? Yeah, man, they done them.
Take care of it.
Yeah,
So no cut left jar, you know.
Yeah, man.
The Steramars.
Steramars, but there now. But you want to know about Steramars now. The first time now, I really going to know, say. And the man tell me what Skeng having, and I said, nah, man. When I go to war there now, man, it's too big on me, man. They don't have plane. Which part? You're mad, man. I look up man on one plane, man. And I say, yeah, Burro. I'm going to make you see it. Now, when I say this up now, I have to say, hey, this is sitting there big on me, what me in there? This come like it's in a movie, my God, there, oh. I think you're big on me. I end up in something bigger than me. But it's a true so much money about, too much gangsters come around. You see me? And then you have man who want to tell you what you have to do and what you have to do. You can't leave the sound. You have to come at the sound, come DJ.
Yeah.
If even they're foreign, and you know you're there and the sound I play, you have to go home to it. I said, nah, man, that's something here, you know. All we are going, I'm not bad down here, sir. But my boss, are the real boss. See me? And I can't bring no badness to me. So I go talk to George, man. I talk to him. And the boss that. See me? So I'm going to tell me that, say, you know what, cat. I done it something, you know, because them brother are going like, so them won't do it, you know. And I do it, Skeng I do it.
Man, them run him.
Run him, you know. So me and cat leave Jamaica and go to America.
When was that?
87.
1987.
Yeah. I will never come back.
Never come back.
I spent 10 years in America.
A decade.
Yeah, before I come back.
So that time, you know, cat farm, Wild Apache label.
Wild Apache.
So you were there with the cat.
Yeah,
right, true.
The song really gets so big, you know. I don't know. I think this is, not true is me do it, but I feel the biggest DJ song ever. It named Boom Wadis.
Boom Wadis.
Yeah, because I know, sir, when we're there in New York, That song they take Super Cat out of #1.
Which cat was that at the time?
We them want to ram it up.
Mm.
Come over stir my son when them pick it up. When BURRO BANTON and D must ram it up. Yeah. And me do back. Man. It more sound like diseases.
Yes.
A cut.
Yeah, it's a different cut
Yeah.
from the original diseases.
And them call me one man and say, you know, so we take the double, race our stock.
1 and 2.
Yeah, I not really check say what am I talking about. So I say, what you talk about? Yeah, if you go back home, if you go back to Jamaica, see, they don't even remember nothing, you know. And the double we taking, you are #1 and you just take me out to #1. But all this time I think that song that they release at Jamaica. They don't release at New York. That's why.
New York.
Yeah, that's why I steal it.
That's why you can lick it back on the street
and I really
sweeper.
mean lick it back. I steal it, lick it back.
On the street
Yeah,
sweeper.
I don't like tell her a lie.
Yes.
You see me? But there, after that 10 years there, I come home, I don't have no visa or nothing again. But there. My boss, where him and my boss, him named Bobby Candace.
Massive B.
Yeah. Him get back my visa and say, BURRO, I get 2 Cabra special for me before you come up. And I can't find Cabra. So I look for Cabra all about, you know. And I'm going to have a dub studio named Sapphire on Half a Tree Road. And I said, ask for Cabra, and a man said, Cabra run a steal, you know. And I said, what? Where's steal there? And I don't even know if steal have 2,000. I said,
Studio 2,000.
Yeah, I never even know so I saw it name. So them direct me, I'm go there. And when I go there now, I steal a studio. They couldn't just walk in. The guy there at the door, I have to call him and tell him, sir, that man there out there, if you let him in, I don't let him in.
Yeah.
So when they call me name like the man, I say, eh? Who let it? I'm going to run, go in there and come out. But I don't really go there for DJ.
Cabra, you got to find.
Yeah, and this will give me my biggest song in my life. How am I going there now? Steal the set to me, sir. I say, West, steal it. I look for Cabra. I say, you know, if I'm going to say Cabra, but a God send you come around here. You know, long me I look for you. Because I build a rhythm in a BURRO. And when I build a rhythm, I'm going to think I DJ upon it, you know. A boom with this, what that, a BURRO Banton, a chat, boom with this, boom with that. Come do it for me now. I say, no, steal it, man. A whole song that, man. I don't want it back again, man. Steal it, I have the flip side to it, you know. And the man say, let me hear the flip side. So I'm going to start. Never talk about me ugly, but my girl say me cute, tell the truth. Them can't call the Banton no fruit. You can't call me man Guinness because me don't get me youth, tell the truth. We will put them in a board back suit. Veteran can run the road, them can't put me on mute. The man I say, hey, it's so good. I don't like that. One, the old song back, bro.
Yes.
I said, no, steal them. I do what my old song, you know. And the man just take out them license gun and put up on the place where I mix the tune them. We have 2 little box where I mix tune and put up on top of that. And say, BURRO, take out the key out of pocket, show the man where I pushing the wire them for him. When
Engineer.
Yeah. Him said to the man, they say, Mikey, lock the gate there for me, because BURRO would I feel like him. I'm joking now. BURRO, if you not do this to me now, last time we are going to talk, at least me I go fight in here before you come on.
Yeah.
I look upon him and I say, I'm serious. And I say, still, you're really serious. You want that whole song, man. I say, if I'm coming for you, come in and that, I beg you go to BURRO, man. It's going on the vice box, man. I say, I don't know the really. Him say, you know what, I know the really, man, not.
That's the truth.
Let's go do what I do upon it. I'll tell them, I take less than 5 minutes and vice. Then when I come out, I say, 2 words on it want change. I say, still here, mash up me again, I have to think. And I say, no, man, I think that already for you, man. They say, you see the eat and the frog part that can't play on radio.
Yes.
So I say, what am I say? They say, enough of them are free, but we know you know that. You get me? Just go to that. I'm come out and bless the big nose, but I could never come back. After I go stay, they come back. I don't want to see you again in life.
Yeah.
So them pull the door, I'm come out. I look upon them, I look over and say, steal it. For real now. One back piece of the something, you know. And so they just do it. I said, steal a old song that, man. He said, come out of my place, man. Now come back here. So I said, so when this all come out? He said, I know you right now. I said, who? He said, a zebra.
Zebra.
I said, I cuss all about it and I said, who is zebra? I don't know zebra. I start DJ and song. And I say, a zebra this. And I say, nah, man, a tiger that, man. He say, same thing. America take you away, you don't even know nothing again about Jamaica. Come out and catch a plane. Go on where you go. You know, I left me and gone. Because I tell me stand on me directly. I know them
I know you know, yeah.
I go foreign and I spend like about close to a year, you know. I'm over there, you know, but I want to come back, come get steam at Jamaica. I never depend on the steam, I just want to come see
just want
the
to view it.
Yeah. But when I over there now, I back up on a brother named Youth and Green.
Youth and Green.
Yes, say, Burro, where you do America? Something I want for you over here, I say, box about, all about the place. I say, you are the biggest song of Jamaica. I say, where's the song name? He can't tell me. Drop me on me.
Yeah.
You get me? We got Sly and Robbie. I keep them birthday. I want to place them SOB. Down a Manhattan. And Bobby Kanda say, come on go, Burro. But all them do them thing now, through them are professional. Anybody will go up on the stage, any rhythm where them are play. And that you have a DJ, man. You can't go up because you play an answer, I play a disease, you know. Anything we are play, at that. So when my time I'm go up there, I start back again because some know the crowd know this. I hitch up and the crowd start. When my DJ and come off, and when I come off now, Tony Robinson come call me and said to me, where you do a Jamaica? Where you do over here, Burro? You have the biggest song of Jamaica, you know. I said, where's the song? He said, you just sing it. I remember saying, I need to steal in because I don't have that on my mind.
Yes.
I said, hey, number one at Jamaica. Man say, yeah, man. Man, get me wicked there, you know, I'm start hustle now. You can't come home long on.
Yeah, you have to come out with
something. You have to have a suitcase there, man. You come out, have a change, you come from foreign and one suit.
Yeah.
So I start, about 2 months, I did now and start. Hustle up my things, what I do. Can come home and check the plane place. Them say, no, them can't give me a seat until the 29th of December.
So you got to miss?
I miss
no,
thing.
you got to miss thing. You
miss
can't back there, because 26 that.
Yeah, I miss thing. So when I come home now, year for anniversary.
Stone Love anniversary.
In a La Rose. Me and Jabba go. Then them start play all the parade, but when me I go believe in that something now, I when them play one song I say, the girl them want me picture for frame up on avenue around on lane, and the man says zebra, come in the way know him. I when G4 say, zebra. Then I put on the next song with him now and say, I wish DJ mash up Sting. I wish DJ mash up. I'm here, the man fear, you know, just like the eagle and the drop. That time I remember saying that rhythm with the pan.
Street sweeper.
Yeah, I remember saying that with the pan. But we believe now, say, something I go in the thing because the man, the man tell me say that man, they are going to run the place.
Yes, or
that's
they tell us,
yeah, a zebra going to run the place. But when it stop, zebra song come out, man, and play. Keep it on. Then a man come drop me on my side like girl when my song all come on. And I look around for him and say, Star. And the man say, are you the man talk about you know? Are you the man talk about? He'd have a veteran who live in Jamaica and him gone a foreigner kind of thing. And when the man put on. Now this is the original Burro Banton for Years to Cry Without Tears. Now him do that for about 10 times straight before him put on the I say some cold bomb come up on me. And when the song play like about 6 times. I need them get all weak for me. I ease out and go lean on the wall.
Yeah.
And when the whole rhythm done play, I look around upon Jabba. I said, Jabba, you know, I said, no more tune can't play another dance of a sweet me. I go me yard go plan my life, you know. I eat this, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. And I just look across way, the dance hall and just say, see Jagga be them there. Here New York man them there over there, sir. Time to believe me, you know, say me I go away, you know. I just come out of the dance and catch a cab and gone and me I left Jabba.
Plan your life.
Go plan my life.
We have a pause right there, so boom what is in. We have go back to New York a little because when you left Jamaica first time, and the Apache go. You're part of Wild Apache. But then Cat did sign to Colombia.
Right, yes, sir.
Were you a part of the whole Colombia signing or Cat
No.
step without you?
No, Cat step without me.
How was that though? How that work out?
Here I really go on. My song was the #1 song. Cat get signed to Colombia. But Cat want to. My song was like Colombia to pick it up too.
Yes.
But by this time, I don't know what happened for me. Because I don't hear nothing. Him not tell me nothing where I go on. I woke up on a man named Bobby Candace. Tell me, say, I'm a broke American, you know.
Nothing now go on.
Give me a box about, Papa. I'm throw food cheap over there and I'm hungry. $5 can get a nice food.
Yes, yes.
Can't get me off. See? So, I'm about Bobby. I said to myself, I'm asking him, say, who's the lyrics? I said, my lyrics, the rhythm of a cat.
Yeah.
So why? I said, I know somebody what I like for hip-hop this tune, I have $10,000 PA. It's where I made big song. When we about $10,000. I said, what? All right. I said, hold on. I want to say if you want it like now. Like yesterday them that like this. I said, what you mean, man? I'm there poor so much, man. Boom bang and check Bobby and carry me to our office. Go them sign up some papers. Bobby Candace said, deal with the money part because I am them. Get the money. They say, all right, here we go now. They want to fly. Or they want to get the acapella to fly upon the hip hop rhythm. I say, you know what, the acapella, you have the man to DJ the song. So all you have to do is get the rhythm, give me my DJ about the song again. And I said, no, it hip hop, BET, everything. But my favorite star, you know.
Yes.
You get me? Yeah, man. I have to take about all 1,500 pictures to get one picture in a snow.
Yeah.
Yeah, turn me in a superstar because I start all cussing. Yeah. And I said, star, hey man. And Bobby Candace said to me, say, boy, well, you say you want to restart, you start at this a star now.
Yes.
All of the man them have to do this, you know. And calm me down. About 2 weeks after, I see him come for me and say, come, we are going to the office. And then get the 10 best picture out of that. You come pick the one where you want. For go up and it sounds like an album. I want song, you know. And that's me alone up on the song, you know.
Yeah.
But up on the cover, everything, you know. Start to walk, because the cover get bigger, because them time I'm on a green card. See? So this, big on my name, you know. Big on me, you know. Because me, I go look at a girl. And I tell her, I say, hey, I'm BURRO BANTON. Yankee girl, I hear them say, right? So say, I lie, yeah. So me take out all, them time it come up on a cassette too.
Yes.
So me take out all the cassette. I'm ID this. For sure, I say, you know this guy? Eh? And one other guy there on the something, you know?
Yeah,
man. Good. Yeah, man. For real? I saw now.
When you win.
Yeah, that thing I get me big now. All the morning time now. Me that get up and go all down a train station. Right down a which part? The courthouse in the Bronx there, the big courthouse, number 61st. I go underneath. That's now where the school pick them. And you gonna know which song are the baddest, the biggest song in a New York.
Anytime you them sing a song.
No, them have it on the ears. So when them sing, them don't know them sing loud. So you know which song I play. And the two biggest songs them time they know. Murder She Wrote. Murder She Wrote. You get me?
Yes.
So when a school pick the parts in Murder She Wrote, you know that. The one they have for the Jamaica music into. Pass. People pass and I can't even tell them say my song. The song gets so big, you know.
Yes. So Bobby was there when you really need some guidance and one label.
Yeah. Well, right, that's how I start. When Bobby start. Cause Cat Bex.
But Cat for Vex and Cat kind of left you out in the cold, so to speak.
No, well, and there's some money thing going on, Papa. And I see some money I go and left your head out, and you know, say, hey.
Yeah, you have to go with it.
Yeah, Beck, no, him.
Yeah, I understand that.
I get a big money too.
Yes.
I fight, you know, So, I remember a female label, you know.
Yeah, I know a female
label,
While Apache.
Dep and everything, and they must sign it. So, it bring like a Vex station. Me and him not talk for years. Yeah. All time, me and Cat come back and talk.
Oh, no good enough.
Yeah, man. See? Over the same thing. And the nicest thing, when him come back and hear say, I have my things, to me are the happiest time.
Yes.
See me? I can't have a nice house
Over so.
Long Island. Yeah. I never have nothing. And it's sweet me if you hear him come. When I go hear him, say, boy, meet over here town, you know. And I say, oh, which town? And I say, yeah, man, them have me over Portmore on float. And them tell me, say, they're up on the seaside around, so, you know. And I couldn't even come check it. I say, hey, you hear about beach house? What? Yeah, man, around them, man. That's sweet, man.
Yes.
I have to show him, say, that thing when it started, it never really just start as a liquor. That thing you grow, that it put me in a soft.
Yeah, give thanks, man.
Yeah, my own things at Jamaica. You get me?
Burro, I one of the man where the thing start out with. Well, lay the groundwork for enough of the artists them can benefit, you know. Zane, but Burro was a sound system DJ for years. Burro never used a record.
No. Because them time the record never been nothing about it.
Yeah.
Because even when I never rate a record so much, me say, Ricky Licky with diseases. Them song they come out. And Michigan and Smiley, them a big DJ them time there. On radio.
Yes.
And I see them come, a dance, and DJ the one song.
And gone.
No, I sit down on the box and watch Welton Irish for all night.
I never bigger artists in the street than Welton Irish.
No, to me, them are bigger artists can radio, me hear them
yes,
but when they come and dance, you
have to listen to Welton.
You talk them. And Welton Irish DJ for 4 or 5 hours, and a one little time you get for DJ.
So just singing one song and
yeah,
bill.
I'm done. So that make me want to be
a sound system DJ.
Yeah. Even the next man, Brigadier never used to do enough recording. At the same kind of thing.
Same type of thing.
Catch Brigadier because the song thing, the radio thing never do nothing for you.
Yes.
In a dance hall, everybody come rate you.
Yes.
You get me? If you even have a one song and come all a dance, come sing it. Come like you don't have no lyrics. I'm singing him singing and I'm done. And that's
no lyrics to the day, it's a song.
You see?
3 or 4 minutes of your God.
Of course, yeah.
As we established earlier, Burro is the original Banton in the business. All other Banton are after Burro Banton.
Yeah, you know.
We have Adi Banton, who is now Vibes Cartel, Buju Banton, Mega Banton. You ever, because when you look on anything, you never frown on a man take on the Banton thing?
Never.
Never.
Because hear why? That made me feel like I'm the greatest DJ ever walk.
Yeah?
Ever. Then if some DJ is there about before, and the youth them never that take on to you.
Yes.
Because really, if you check it, you know, I wish by the 3 hours start walk, the youth them start learn DJ from, you know. And never even from too much down the man them were there before we. You know.
Yes.
Alright, so them come pick it up, because if you can watch, I don't my name alone them take. You have Apache Scratchy.
Yes.
You have Alley Cat. All of them they coming off a Super Cat.
Yes, a Jonah Cat.
All of them they coming off a Super Cat.
Cat.
See me? The next man is the Demos. Nicodemus.
Yes.
to carry down
Chaka
a whole heap
Demus.
of Demus behind
Yeah.
it.
Junior Demus.
All kind of baby Demus,
Baby
all kind of
Demus.
Demus. You see?
Makes sense.
Yeah, and then,
the
now-
Banton.
And then the Banton, but we notice that more people take off of the Banton.
Yes.
More than everybody else. You know? Well, Burro Banton now, we can't even fight Burro. For name Banton, because when we really start, I'm starting, I tell you about a place named Wacklepen.
Yes.
When we there at Wacklepen now, a Burro gate, we build lyrics at night time.
Yeah?
Yeah, make the noise and then lick the fence and them thing there. You get that time, because Burro really, enough people say Burro come from up at Reddish Road
Right.
side. No, Burro them are some Barbican Road youth.
I move already.
Yeah. You see, through police and kill our fiend brother.
Yeah.
Over a creator battle.
Over?
Creator battle.
A creator buckle.
Yeah, them killed Blackie, because Blackie was one of we. Blackie was the bigger one for Burro.
Yes.
So I'm more familiar group. And yeah, I'm dead over. Yeah.
Yes.
You
So
see?
you started recording late, bro. But, well, in terms of, cause you spend most of the time actually at DJ and sound and thing. But you'd have had some notable records. Zane,
Well,
Tech Set,
yeah, take a set.
Boom What This,
Washington session.
Washington Session, Phenomenon.
Yeah.
Better Than Them.
Well, they know the career. They know the career, you know. Yeah,
Yeah?
can I tell them back in this time and now, the only man of Vice more than me now is Vibes Cartel.
Yeah?
Yeah, not even being a man.
So you make up with
I'm being a man Vice songs.
being one of a million songs.
Yeah. No man, since last week, 5 times of Vice.
Can you tell me, say, you have 4 songs of Vice
Yeah,
last
my
week?
Vice,
to choose
5
still?
times
5 of Vice.
5 times of Vice last week.
So who you work with now, though? Anybody in particular?
Yeah, from the dollars is right. Because as I tell you,
Work.
yeah, as I tell you, me is a man where is the money. Yeah, me they have money, so.
Money are there.
Yeah. See? Otherwise, a one man can just call. And say, boy, I just build a rhythm now. Check it out. And a Bobby Candas.
Bobby Candas,
Yeah.
Massive V.
Yeah, cause.
You nah drop your ratings. to
No, the
Massive V.
last song of Vice on the weekend, he want to put it out the 17th of December.
Yeah.
And I said to him, say, it all sound like a 2000 song.
Yes.
2001, the 2nd of January, you can put it out. Yeah,
Yeah,
cause more time, song get turned back for that, you know.
The time when I release it.
Yeah, man, I was say, hey, I last year sang that, you know. A old song, I last year.
All of December.
All of
release
December.
it.
Yeah, see?
So you say January settings.
Yes, yeah, because even right now, I have a song where I know, say, with me and my son,
Yes.
where at the first, me I gonna say this, anytime that song I drop, world, me I tell you, say, yeah, Burro make #1 again.
What is song name?
It name King of Jordan.
King of Jah. Me pray now will probably give me none still. So me wait for it.
Yeah, you know what it name? Banton or the King of Jordan. Yeah.
Yeah, your son.
Yeah,
Well, your son
my
musical
son, Leno
name.
Banton.
Leno Banton.
Yeah. And the next Banton that will come on the road.
Yeah.
Leno, talented.
Yeah.
You
So
know?
you would have been involved in many clashes, bro. Which DJ down the years give you the, you tell me say Charlie rub you out a couple
Yeah,
times. You tell me say the first man kill you Ranking Joe, which is your teacher, Zane. Which DJ give you the biggest fight in a clash?
General Trees. General Trees killed me 2 times. Yeah, man, General Trees killed me on Montego Bay.
Yeah,
That beach, Cornwall Beach. Yeah, he beat me on Cornwall Beach.
yeah,
And he beat me at NCC Sports Club.
yeah.
On Arthur Tree Road, we shot Daily News there. Yeah, General Trees beat me them 2 times.
So General Cheese are the hardest.
Hardest fight.
Hardest fighter.
You might have a style there where bam, bad.
Can't go around that.
Believe it. No, you know, when you go, cause nothing can rub out my Banton again, so I
Yeah.
never that tell life.
True.
And you have to last and pick up yourself again.
Yes.
For sure, if you're good.
Yes.
Because over track, I know one man be the champion Jack every time. One man walk I win 6 times, but him that has win it 6 times straight.
Yes.
DNL, so come in between.
Yes.
You get me?
Yeah, why?
So you would go, come, I'm pushing myself again and say.
Yes.
Because the only thing when I regret in life, when me that think, I me that wish feet happen, me do want to half hour up on stage with Addy.
With Addy?
Yeah. Because I rate him as one of the baddest lyricists ever come out here.
Yes.
And for this time lyricist,
Yes.
me do want take on Addy. Not really say a clash.
Clash. But it's a vibe type of thing.
Yeah, the two of we are go down there for people know say. You know say old man Burro still bad.
Yes.
Eh? Yeah man, him not drop the thing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah man, him always have it.
Pity that never happened.
Yeah, believe it.
Speaking about General Cheese, we know that he suffered a stroke recently and stuff. Hopefully, one of them time he will come back around enough where we can probably sit down and hold a reason with him like this to still.
Yeah, man.
You have been around the world. You have performed many places.
So much.
So many places.
So much, you know.
Yeah, where's your favorite place to perform?
You see, I couldn't even look on it so.
Yeah.
There were so much, but in my early days, when I coming up, in a DJ sound,
Yes.
5 Waltham Avenue, Scabulite in a white. Because you what now? My crew changed the way how people used road boys to come and dance. Come on, used to come and dance anyhow them time because then they come like a zinc fence something.
Yes.
I run a bamboo land. No. When we are early B and Supercat start spar together, we started that thing now where we put shirt in our pants and them thing there. So we make road boy come and dance like you work a bank. And you know them always have the bossiest clothes.
Yes.
You know, when a youth come and the dance and really start, see the DJ them, that way there, then them start change like how we do.
Yes.
You
Yes.
know? So follow on until today. Come, you know.
Early B, you were around Early B. Early B was around because three of you were at Jara at the time. What was Early B like though? As a person?
Rasta.
Rasta.
You know, when I talk about like show you have a long ear.
Real Rastafarian live it.
Yeah, live Rasta.
Yeah.
Yeah, them man they never like blood. Them man they not like war.
Yes.
Them man, if you see him look like Selassie.
Yeah.
Because I saw him used to dress when he go up on stage, you know. See him like how you see Selassie,
Yes.
you know, the khaki suit with the whole heap of epaulets and all these things. Yeah, I see him as a suit. Early
B.
He used to dress.
Yes. Where were you when he died? You remember?
Yeah?
You were in Jamaica, you were overseas.
With that Jamaica.
Oh, you did Jamaica.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sad time, eh?
Yeah, man.
Waltham, I did your ground
Yeah,
early
man.
in the days.
Yeah, man. I love Waltham Avenue. I love 5 Waltham Avenue.
Yes. Whether it was a dance in terms of DJing and a sound or go perform on stage, you are the biggest crowd you ever walk on a stage too.
So one of the maddest things now, yeah, man. No man, I try a crowd, you know.
Yeah.
Because the truth, I could have said me the King of Europe. You know?
King of Europe.
Ratatam,
Right, yeah.
Reggae Jam. I remember me close all show.
Yes.
I care who up on it.
Are you close it?
Me close show.
Yeah.
You get me? The only man when I ever out the road and buck up in him and say, that boy I got turn me over tonight because he fit on me, you know. But that's Anthony B.
Anthony B.
Yeah, switch it round and be a DJ one before you. You close the show.
Yeah. Anthony B. Full of energy for choose.
Well, no man, I'm more DJ, not energetic like that brother.
Yeah.
That brother has DJ has 6 tunes and just a run back way.
Yes.
And an intro them. We just start, and DJ the whole song, start, gone again.
But for
Before-
true. Apart from clashes in the dancehall space, bro, you any artist in the business of having a lyrical feud, like a man do a tune, you do a tune, and it thing serious? No.
No.
Just dancehall clash business. Yeah.
Yeah, that's I can't remember in them time, we never really have, we never have much tune.
Right, you know, record, I just
we
DJ
never-
or
we
DJ.
never have no 45, I just know. Because I know, I mean, I like, If we don't like them, even put you up against some of them and or them say I lead now. Yeah. And me not just talk about say true, them younger and the crowd I follow them now.
Yes.
Me that like somebody come out who have the better lyrics to teach even the youth them going down. You understand me? Yeah, that way them here talk.
Yes.
Huh? Yeah, the lyrical content.
Yes.
What you really DJ about. Because I'm not a gun DJ. I don't DJ gun. I don't DJ kill. I don't like these things because I see we might say it, but it take on to flesh.
True. Yeah, put it out there so you manifest.
Yeah, someone, so you take it up and do things off of what we say. And even now, most sites we are going out the road right now. These you talk it. We now call my name, but the truth, youth are going to know themselves, say, yeah. What around this, you know, some he say it in a song,
Yeah.
and I see him when the youth them come do it.
Take on flesh.
Yeah, so that way there.
Yes.
But lyrically, neither like, even one of them could have put on something like that. If me even lose, don't feel no way.
Yeah.
We just want the youth them to say. Yeah, but we're working, tune is there.
Tune is there.
Yeah.
What is Burro Banton's single greatest achievement along his musical journey?
Boom with this.
Boom what this.
Yeah.
And a 2-time he hit, 2 places he hit.
No, 3 plays.
Three
No,
plays.
Three times that song.
3 times.
Yeah, man, a 3 times that it at Jamaica alone, you know.
Yeah.
Because the first time that song they come out, it never come out on a record.
45.
On a 45.
Eh.
Now it come out on a dancehall album, 82 Chisholm Avenue. Ace's album.
Yeah.
Ace's live album with King Yellowman. Tayan, eek-a Mouse, Burro Banton, Billy Boy, Liquor John.
Yes.
All the way up on it.
Be a great names
Yeah.
to the brother.
But here why my song get for bus off of that now. Most of them sing that sing slackness. So when they come to the radio now,
Can't go play upon the
they
radio.
just pick out my song and play. See, you know.
And then he kick with a new year.
New Year.
And then he come back and kick with again when Steal it. Shut it.
Yeah, you know. So,
Mad thing. One song hit
one song.
three times, years apart.
yeah, 3 different era.
Mad thing.
And come like if we do it again, it come like it to the runway.
They run away
Yeah,
again.
'cause the people them just love it, you know.
Yes. It's a vibe, man.
Yeah, and God get every man fee more.
Yes.
You get me? Some man can do 50 top record. Some man will DJ for years and never get one.
Yes.
You get me? In my career, me that's how me get 2
Better than them.
better than them.
Yeah. Bigger piece of boom what this now.
Now this is the original Burro Banton for years to cry without tears. Yeah man, at Burro Banton I tell them man, straight across the board. When me say, no for talk about my brown Jaja, no say me black, me slim, me tell them Burro Banton no fat, me DJ fi bald head and dreadlocks, and carry me weak spot in a me diamond socks, favorite color that a yellow and black, and when me go a show, yes me sit down in a box, show where we watch Star by Silver Fox, me better than this thing out of a gyal was. You trouble raw, why you say you bound to get shock. You hang a man, you hang him high in a treetop. A sound get drop a Burro Banton do that. It must be the lyrics that a Burro him chat. Cause me slim and me no fat and my culture me no slack. But I man as a DJ know me not turn back. Say tika tak we make the people them rock. The jacker from the packer man a roll any flock. Go tell them Burro Banton a the cream of the crop. And anytime I pass the road of a black. Boom what this? What that a Burro Banton a chat? Boom what this? What that a Burro Banton a shock? Boom what this? What that chat no respect no notch. True no fast if the coke and enough a melt the rock. Enough of them a go like them a bubble dreadlocks. Selassie I God, enough of them did a mock. Enough of them a wolfman in a sheep frock. We still a sniff coke and still a melt rock. And still a fall freaks and them a eat under frock. You have to hold them, beat them badly, cut off them dreadlocks and race them out as iron with a barrage a shot. True enough of them a sting Burro Banton a shock. Me coming like a mountain where below a rock. Me coming like a nut where you just can't crack. Me coming like a 16 minute stop fire. Boom, what this? What that a Burro Banton a chat? Boom, what this? What that a Burro Banton a shot? Boom, what this? What that shot? No respect, no notch. Straight across the board.
Man, thing, brother. We know say the two more successful songs are better than them and Boom What This. Of all the songs that you have recorded, Zane, which one of them songs they would you say the song will resonate with you the most? And that song they DJ the most in your quiet time, you drive, and that you vibe, you in the bathroom, and that you vibe. Yeah, do something.
Ribby bang, come ribby bang skeng, yes. Ribby bang, come ribby bang skeng. Come bidang badang bang bidang bang skeng. Man a old road boy still have it in my cranium. For ram up your dance and cock up your stadium. Me no borrow ice and me no beg platinum. Pay for that cash I left my gold them for rotten down. Mentally sick them put me in a the asylum. Me no carry water gun, me no chew bubble gum. Long talking invented from me just a come. Now get tongue twisted and me left them. Baby stun. Girl of my choices, me draw for my condom. Grudge me for my ices and my condominium. Benz and Rolls Royces made of titanium. Wish my hot voices say they wanna be my son. Girl with the stick of the state mean says she have the gun. Girl with catch house color mean she need sunburn. Maybe pick the plum but me never say Burro never say Burro never say Straight across the board.
Bam!
Yeah, man. I love that, you know.
Yes. What's so special about that song, the Fear of Burro?
No, I think it's a teach song, you know.
It's a teach song.
Yeah, and can show the youth them say, you can build tune without say killing it.
Yes.
You know? Call the second verse when me that say, cool Burro Banton start a symposium. But a politician tell him please leave the podium. Time get hard man salter than sodium. Get proactive, radioactive like radium. Talking bull, I give them a Imodium. Some half key, drinking white rum. Keep it and start the fire dumb man that we cut out the bow cat tongue. Car, me we pick the plum but me never say Burro, never say Burro, never say
Burro, looking at the musical journey, if you had the opportunity to redo it, relive it, you would change anything, you would do anything differently? You have any regrets?
More 45s.
More 45.
Yeah, you know, more 45. Because that me doing now.
Yes.
And these things should I do from back in the days.
Yes.
Yeah, because even some rhythm hear pass, and when we hear them now,
you should then clap something on it.
Yeah, we should have something on that. You know? Even enough of jammies rhythm them.
Yes.
Yeah, because them come with some bad rhythms.
Yes. Speaking about rhythms, me hear talk about Death in the Arena, Disease, Answer. Which rhythm are your favorite rhythm of all, your most favorite rhythm of all times? Answer. Any particular reason?
I think you can go fast on it.
Yes.
And I know a two-string rhythm, so you don't have to look for changes or anything.
Yeah.
You will make the change on it.
Yes.
You understand? Yeah, because enough rhythm now, you're a DJ. To how they make the rhythm now is 4/8. So you have to know when the 4 come for change. And then you got the 8 come. You have to change again. You get me? You can't change anytime on answer.
Oh, yes. What I also realize is that Burro DJ more on rhythms. For example, you know, hardcore, what them call dancehall, is 100 and odd BPM.
Yeah.
While some of the older rhythm are like 98 in the 90s BPM. Why is it you prefer for DJ upon them the rhythm the versus the faster beats?
You see, I'm comfortable up to 95. You know? Anything in the 90s, I'm so comfortable. I can do what I want to do.
Yes.
And it's not, it draw me. Because the faster rhythm them now, I don't have that singing style.
Yes.
And I think that's why even Mavado, it comes so good. Because when we would have to talk 4 bars, what a pure argument.
Yes.
Mavado could have just said, anyway, gangsta for life, I use 2 words and say 4 bars. I hear it more than me would have, you know. Follow what the rhythm I say.
Yes.
You understand me? So I'm more comfortable on a slower beat.
Yes.
Because if you even just check, my DJ now is a killer.
Yeah?
What? I love killer till my week, man. But killer is not too much a fast rhythm DJ neither. Like killer, most of killer hits is done some slower beats.
That is true.
Because I think the fastest killer The mystery is the mystery and the man is just the man. The rest of them is some walking with him, copper shot. Remember me tell you about that seat there. Man all about Supal Magnum Angla. Splurt. Rest my rest now.
Yes.
Then you come back and put in the melody. So you can bad up the rhythm instead of rhythm and bad him up. You get me? So the man we can do a little singing, that's why being the man good. Because he can sing.
Yes.
A little bit.
Yes.
You get me? So let's see I sing it.
Yes. That's true. Yeah, that.
You know, see. And although Adi are the lyricist, you must still have to take a little bit of Mavada too.
Yes.
The singing part.
Have to do a little singing too.
With the melody.
Yes.
Yeah.
To match the lyrics.
Yeah, because no remember so when him come, he bring a man in there and the man never have the amount of argument for match him. I remember when him come in, they never have no melody yet, you know.
Yes.
Give me the car, can I? What the
Source of lyrics,
yeah.
he must speak.
Yeah. See him? And then he
Till
bring
he get some melody.
And then he bring choo and come with it.
Yeah. Wayne Marshall.
Yeah. These are the new millennium. Eh?
Yes.
Different thing guitar go on. Eh? Yeah, that's why they have the melody.
Marshall have a melody for sure. Don't for them really sang their Marshall.
Yeah, but Marshall have the argument.
Yes, he don't have a lyrics.
That gangster something.
Yes.
You understand?
Yeah, look for the music, Burro, man.
Me do what?
Yeah, look for the music.
Live it.
Differently.
No, man, I live it, Papa, man.
Yeah?
I live it, man. I feel like I'm a 16-year-old now.
Yeah.
Coming to music now, when it come to our lyrics.
Yes.
Eh?
Feel young again.
Yeah, no, I know that me young, man. Because to where me I think you know, because
Yes.
I sang the last song me I think you right now. Eh? Me have something I me that like. I don't even want to say it, because...
You can't say it if you want, man.
You know? No, it's something I want to tell them now, say, I don't have nothing more to prove.
Yes.
I don't have nothing more to prove. I don't pay my dues enough for walking on my shoes. I don't have nothing more to prove. I don't have nothing more to prove. Banton yesterday, I still Banton today. I don't have nothing more to prove. Eh? Yeah, I
Nothing more to prove.
I have nothing to prove.
Yeah.
Yeah, can I do it? So, who am I going to prove it?
Yes.
A little youth are smaller than me, or younger than me. No, I try to help the youth in their life. You get me? Because I'm not really kill champion.
Build
I'm a race champion. You understand me? Yeah, because enough time when I like say, I really teach a youth for DJ.
Yes.
And take off for me, and I see it, and I like it. I try to help him with them things.
Makes sense.
Yeah, make it step up, you know? Yeah.
Is there anything musically where the Banton no achieve it, where I'm still hope to achieve?
A Grammy.
Grammy.
Yeah. I never stop DJ until I get one.
So you work an album or album in the pipeline?
Yeah, album in the pipeline.
Yeah.
And the truth, if I tell you, I say, all we are going, otherwise for money, a Grammy is the biggest award you can get.
Musically, true.
Yeah. You know, like, it even make you bigger.
Yeah,
For
man, because more people know your name, you know. More people start
and
buy
then
your music. music.
even when him go out, because if me I go out now, I go DJ with Beanie Man in a foreign country. You go hear them say, the icon, the veteran, Burro Banton, Ray. But it's one thing to accompany it, like when them all call out.
Grammy winning artist.
Yeah, Beanie Man, the Grammy winning. You understand?
Artist.
Yeah, so I think I still look at that.
Yes.
I don't know if it can come, but you have to try.
You're still in our tank, man.
Yeah,
Go
man.
and drive.
Yeah, man, of
You
course.
never know where destination
Yeah,
is, you know.
believe it.
Never know where destination is. What is Burro's favorite tune where I know Burro Banton sing? That tune, I love that tune. That tune I have a go to and I headphone in my ears. When I made that thing, that tune I listen.
But right now, what I love,
Yes.
I know a Sizzler sing it.
Yeah?
There's nothing in them system from which they create all around. Them criticize their own I dream, like they wouldn't do around for a strive, them in that job.
Yes.
When we hear all them something there, eh? Go go get good ways, man.
Good ways.
Good ways, man. When we hear that, I say, I couldn't think it. I tell you the truth, you know? Yeah, because something, things like them that me want to leave about it.
Yes.
Even though when I'm gone, you can't play
Live
forever.
on, yes.
Yeah, you can't play forever.
Makes sense.
So.
How many children?
When I get 3,
You get 3. And all of them are
everybody good.
Zane and the young one that you say is
Yeah, Leonard Banton.
Leonard Banton, yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm living, me and him living at the same house.
Okay, cool.
All of them are 24 and can't come out. baby.
I am baby that.
Yeah, man, I go around and looking at the film room and in there asleep, boy. No, yeah, in a shot. I'm there all dance by himself and know say, Daddy, how call me, you know? How you there, Dada?
Yeah.
Yeah, come out tonight. Eh? When you say now come out, you know say kill me, man.
Yeah.
You understand? When him take him mother car and go away for the night and I come back. And when it's 7 o'clock pass, I call back. Yeah. All right, me hear your voice, but I want to hear nothing more.
Yeah, man. I know them ways. I know them ways. Married?
No,
Ever been?
no. And I really don't like that.
You don't love do that.
Yeah, I got it to Camille. Now I'm married to Camille, man.
You're married to Camille.
Yeah, she not care.
Yeah, me figure say she at that, man. Me figure say she at that. If I hit a hit, man.
No, well, you see, and every time in our life you buck up on somebody who's good, you know.
Yes.
Every woman is good, you know. You have to find the one that's good to you.
Yes.
You
True.
understand me?
So true.
Yeah, I'm sure. But put her through so much tests and sure say, she is.
She it is. Burro, even though you never record a lot of 45s back in the days, you still recorded songs.
Yeah.
And one of the things when I interview artists from your era, the common theme is that producers rob someone dry. How are things with you and publishing and royalties and them things?
Well, I just know me and them things.
Yeah, sort out them
Yeah,
things
I
there.
just know me and them things.
You put in the work if you benefit from it,
Yeah,
you know, daddy.
yeah, you know, because when you make me in there, I see 3 check come, I mean, like, we just laugh and say, watch that. I never even know nothing about these money. And a BMI check come, I mean, I say, watch that.
Give thanks. So I think I sort out them way there.
And then my youth, Lena Banton, them youth and a DJ without them thing there. Everything we're young around me, I say, a young thing that him still a push me now.
Yes. I make sure it's everything
Yeah,
covered up.
Yeah, you know.
I see why you love your local youth. I make sure it's everything.
I'm a leader right now.
I'm your leader right now. Burro is still working.
I never
You tell me
stop.
see your voice 5 songs last
Yeah,
week.
never stop. Because if you listen to the voice, it's still
Still
bursting
there.
wall.
Yes, yes.
Hey, it's a bust wall, man.
Yes.
You know? Yeah. So for me keep it, you have to keep it up, you know. You get me? Exercise every day because the body is a temple.
Yes.
You get me? And then we have lyrics ample. Me, them can't trample. For the younger generation, I'm an example.
Yes, sir.
You see me?
They are bigger piece of better than them there.
Yeah, man, straight across the board. A BURRO BANTON, better than them, 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 better than them. My band better than them and grow rougher than them. All them a moving and going, you know what me set the trend. My band weaker than them, dress slicker than them. Me are the leaf, me are the root, me are the branch, me are the stem. What take them? Banton a true born legend. Enter the business 75 and that was way back when. What them? Wait with baby banks king when Beanie and Bunty was just children. If you think I like a ask General Skeng, me used to DJ Steromar from 10 till 10. Volcano Jaro till the Neagle 8 bend. I'm the Governor General, that means me no big friend. Them take me Banton, me never take nothing for them. I'm the standard recommended ice grade after blend. Start round a wackle penny, Ricky 10, them round a grand spend. Still better than them and grow rougher than them. Banton.
For the people them out there who want to get in touch with the Banton, whether it is for bookings, when bookings possible, dub plate, whatever it is, how do they go about doing that?
Well, you see right now, I like left something on this. And there's a phone number that I leave.
Yes.
I want to tell them, say, BURRO BANTON don't have no Instagram page. I don't have no Facebook page.
Yeah.
You have someone out there scamming on my name. A thief people money in my name. Them for stop it. Anybody who want to get to Burro, remember, 816-0610. 876-816-0610. You can find Burro. And you know, so when you call that number there, you talk to Burro in person.
Yes.
And then anything after that, me tell you what to do.
Simple maths.
Straight across the board.
Yes.
Yeah, man, you have someone a scamming on my name, a thief people money. I make people feel like I am a thief.
Yes.
You see me? No, nobody around the world can say me is a thief. And we don't go on stage show where I miss the flight. So I lose a plane ticket.
Yes.
But I never take somebody money yet. and don't work for it. And never take a money where you say, you send the first part come and Burro not come on my show. We never do that yet. Anything we lose is a plane ticket.
Yes. Father Banton, you mentioned that you love a gully you walk in and from the start of a gully till the upper the gully, so one lyrics that. Is a man we build lyrics for fun. Your songs them. You ever do a song when anybody write or you do all of your work?
No man, I do song man writer man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah man, I'm a writer man.
You have a writer?
Yeah
one
man.
Thing. You write for any...
Anytime me and I in a problem with any song, he's a doctor. He's a DJ. Them call him Shaka Pow.
Shaka Pow.
Yeah.
Man.
You see me? Go through schoolwork. You have all of the schoolwork.
Yes.
So you have enough money in the music. Him know say him want some help.
And I'm afraid for reach
Afraid for
out.
ask feet. And you have enough people that help them.
True.
So big up Shaka Pow.
Mad.
Big up Shaka Pow. Anywhere in there. Straight across the board.
You write for anybody?
No.
No.
No, but that's the Burro.
Just the Burro.
Yeah, because I want, you know, I'm older right now and I want it. You know, see, they're not so young like one time. So
Yes.
most things now we have to try pre-Burro, everything about Burro. You see me? Yeah. Then would I say you're into yourself, but it's all like that.
Is there anything about the music now where you then change if you were able to?
Yep.
What is that?
If I could have get the youth them to stop singing gun, it'd have change that and make a youth sing something positive for evening friend. You know, because the gun thing get too bad in Jamaica. And the more you sing it, and the more you endorse it.
Yes.
See me? Enough time the youth will sing the song. If you may just tell him virgin say, for cool, him virgin that cool too. But through the song come out and so much people rate it, they want to live the song.
And give life to the music.
Yeah, so, me that ask the youth them, if kind of stop it, yeah, kind of stop, do the killing thing.
Yes.
But we'll see if we can live more loving, you know?
For the Burro fans them out there, long-time fans, new fans, soon-to-be fans, what you have to leave with them?
Well, right now, what I want to tell the people them out there, say, I God, you know, I God first and all things after. Because enough man, I go through earth, I have never take the time one at a time and people just say, thank God. You know, see it? So the truth, I God where I say. And I God live with, and God live with me. Straight across the board.
Finally, Father Banton, you know enough artists do song, and for some strange reason, that song they don't do as well as them think. You do any song where you think don't get the justice where it deserve, the people them did hear it, then be a bigger song?
Yeah, I do a song named Gangsta Paradise.
Yeah?
And I don't feel like I get the purity after that song.
Yes.
You know, I don't know for what reason, because I never really put.
Gangsta's Paradise.
Yeah,
Maybe
man,
you're
cold
paying-
like ice.
Man.
You get anything you want, but you have to pay the price, just be nice. Never diss a man all when you're bright, him rip off your badge and pop off your stripe paradise. Woman cold like ice, if you try stop the food, your head roll like dice paradise. Woman cold like ice, white sandy beach, and we party every night. The pudding it a share, and I forget my slice. Gangsta no rip off and we don't take bribe. Me have a ML Benz, bad man, we're gonna X5, 3-story crib rest on the seaside. If you ever cross a gangster, you will slip and slide. Like back in the days of Bonnie and Clyde. The music garrison for make the people divide. When you see a gangster, please walk. It named Gangsta Paradise, a man cool like ice. Yeah, you know?
Yes,
That
Burro.
song they're out there. It's still out there.
Gangsta's Paradise.
Gangsta's
And
Paradise.
to find Burro song, we know songs are on YouTube, but what about the other digital music stores?
Well-
iTunes, Spotify, CD, baby, them places there?
Well, me know for right now, me da more just leave it the same web where everybody knows.
Same web.
Yeah,
Okay. But the songs out there.
Yeah.
People don't go listen to Gangsta's Paradise.
Because for last week, I was #1. And you call one of them names look wild. One of them places that we sell music now.
You were #1,
Yeah, well-
download, purchase,
Yeah.
street, yeah?
Yeah.
Burro.
Burro.
Original Banton.
Banton.
I read
On
somewhere.
iTunes,
Yeah?
number one.
Number one.
Yeah.
Is that an album or is that a song?
No, it's two we do the song.
200 the song.
Yeah.
What song is that?
It named Big and Heavy.
Big and Heavy.
BURRO BANTON and a youth named Knowledge.
Knowledge. Number one.
Number one.
Congrats, sir.
This week.
Yes.
This week here.
What's your favorite thing to do outside of music?
I'm a bake. Like our wedding cake. Anything where them take me from. I'm a father, I'm get it from. My father was a wicked baker. I'm gonna take everything from him before I'm drop out.
Yes.
Yes, but I'm a specialty that. That's something I love. Otherwise, dancing.
Yes.
Yeah, I love dancing.
Yeah, about dance, bro.
Yeah, I love skank.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I love that skanking thing.
Yeah.
Not that fast.
Yeah, man.
Kind of something where 15 people have to dance one song. I just start to get tired and jump up on them something. You know what I talk about? Freeway article, music them, Dennis Brown and Bob Marley, all of them things. When we start skank on them things, you have to stand up and watch.
Yes.
Believe
You
me.
mentioned just now that you had last week your collaboration with Knowledge was top of iTunes. Is there anybody we in work with that musically where they love for going to the studio, go do a song with one day?
Yeah, man, what about you?
Just give me a name or two off the top of your head.
You know? All right, I feel like I do a show the killer.
The killer.
Yeah, I want to do a show the killer.
Rodney, link up the man.
You see it? Because I'm the general.
One general.
No, know me as the governor general.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I know me say so.
Yeah.
Let's look back on all of these first time cassettes
Yes.
with Super Cat.
Governor
And
general.
all, yeah. Come in, Governor General.
Yes, I hear that.
Yeah, you know?
So something with killer.
Yeah.
Two big voice.
Yeah. He's a man from long time.
Yes.
Because even Rodney earlier set of tunes, when I come here, Rodney, I say, and the lyrics the boy attack. The brother attack movie script.
Yes.
Yeah. He sang them sound like you could have make a movie off of them.
Yes.
You know? So, big up the killer. Big up Beanie, man, because the whole of we are friends, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, I mean, we're a girl, no DJ.
Yeah, man.
See?
Respect that.
Yeah, man. Every
But
DJ.
I love the something with the killer.
Yeah, I do something with the killer.
Me I pre go here still, because I go watch.
Yeah, man.
Bigger boss.
Yeah, man. Bless
It's a joy, sir.
Yes, bless
A
him.
man will pave the way for which part the music reach today. You understand? Enough of the people them out there who they are going to know some of the things when you say so, and it was a history lesson, history class. I will give thanks, and as you say, gas in the tank, so a man still a drive, and the destination can be anywhere.
Yeah, man.
Keep putting in the work, and you know what thing go.
Yeah, them can just look for it coming out. The 2nd of January. Yeah. BURRO BANTON and Massive B label. It named Nah Stop Try.
Nah, stop.
BURRO
trying.
Nah Stop Try. We just nah stop try. You get me? When I talk about try, I try not to studio every day. And I'm still looking out for that Grammy. Right.
Right. Bigger boss. Give thanks.
Yes, sir.
Was an honor, brother.
Peace is in thy words and prosperity in thy policies. Yeah, man, this is the veteran BURRO BANTON for years, who cry without tears. And tell them, BURRO say, them are no problem, none of them no problem. Them are no problem, them teach them, I go teach them. Them are no problem, none of them no problem. Them are no problem, them teach them, I go beat them. Say them like the world and them teach them come again. Straight through the gate, non-stop, my gone again. So man, I wear tight pants. But one of them a me illusion get the best of them. So if you pick me up, you lick me down, my bunks right back. Should I know them teach them is a hard nut to crack. I'm the old veteran, me still a launch the attack. I'm the cream of the crop and I am lyrically strapped. From a Kangal hat to me diamond sack. From the chain round my neck to my Rolex watch. When we touch pan the block, them say me have the city lock. With the musical keys like Sugar Mine hat. So hey, them are no problem, none of them no problem. Them are no problem, them teach them, I go teach them. Them are no problem, none of them no problem. Them are no problem, them teach them, I go beat them. Say them like the world and them teach them straight across the board.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.